Israel nyamia mayete na mesumaniache Abraham dawo katasia mayete na matwaye.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Adafo no pay. Edo Yankopon ase. So ama de pa bi achi ye ni eda so tinko. Enipa nyina nya no sane ya wanye. Anu ti kai obo ade no. Na hye ne die mu nyame san se onu adi ni yi. Anopai wutie ye mfi York FM and HYTV akasafidie so. Otumfo nyame adom na hu mobro no aso ye nso so. Anu ti sa oti nkwamu a faseda kese ema no sanse wa ibibri na ama o. Anu pe me no be kasa afa asebtitru bi a ehia unprofitable servant. Unprofitable. Esanse abrabọ na ye bọ no. Ane anamontu a ye tuturu owiase no. Asesa ye bibiara ye bia no. Ehu se emfaso ewo so. Na ya na empepi no ye wi afie ho. Sa suban ni niye bi ama ye ntimi nso ani. Ama ye ntimi ensipi. Ema ya brabọ no enwie peye. Nanso so na ya ndam ni bebre ye nimdia. Ye nim ye ngina bre ane ye nte ne ye ase. Ade a onipa wo ye bia no se wonye mu nti ase ni mu hunu mu yi a. Aya na wontimi nye ni yiye. Anopai me no besusu ensem we ho. Sa ye wo nipa bi a na brabo a obọ no emfaso bi amaso. Ni suban ni ye ani kwan wonam so no. Efa bibi pa bia emre no. Ne ponso no onso ni Yankopon no a obọ no no ani. Unprofitable. Nipa bi a na brabo nso ani. Ni ye ne na kwan enso ani. Esansa bebre esre ho sa gidifo. Na ensori abu obia kwa asori. Obia so oyo Yankopon ba a osum nyame. Na nsuso no uhwe suban ne ye bi ekoso a ede adi pefe se ye da ye ho. Amen. Anse se ubada da ho wiase a wo mu yi. Anse se wankasa ni ya wo ye bia otimi si gina ye pa na wo ye ni ye. Esanse wo ye ma ho. Obu o wa ye di dwumadie bi hye ne nsa kwa befa so obeye no no. Ane na montu a obetuo no ede adi pefe se emfaso bi amaso mu. Nanso wo sa wo bre wa asase so na wo ye bibi no asese wo hwe na wo ye ni yiye. Esanse adwuma ye bia no adwuma bia wo ye bia no akatua ewo ho a wo nsa beka. Enye adwuma ngu. Sada so ye obi adwuma ana wo ye wankasa wo adwuma. Asese wo hwe na wo ye ni yiye. Esanse ne a wo ye no wo ye ma wankasa ho. Onyankopon tue di ampo obo wo no. O tue obi bia nnwuma so ka. Na nia obia aguo nso no. Obetwa nti no. Asese obo modi na agu abapa. Na ebripam no. Otwa adepa ma wankasa ho. Ye woni pa bi wo a. Wo mu di o mabrabo na o mo bo no. Ayese o mo ba ma obi. Enu nti o mo nam ana o mo ye niam a emfaso ni su na ehia. O mu su enu o mo ban. Enyina da di say esumu enu o mo ti. Omo hwe han na chi kwanda. Onyankopɔn ma abrabɔ ɛyɛ easy man nipa. Sa amre bi atwam na yɛte sumu ne yanim nyame. Na yɛ nante sɛnea yɛankasa yɛakɔnɔ ne yɛmpatie. Yɛtumi ɛkɔ baabi a yɛyɛ biribi bia sanse na nimdie no eni hɔ. Na ɛnɛ nso a adekye ɛne han kɛseɛ apie nso no. Yɛfrɛ ho sɛ yɛ Kristofoɔ. Yɛfiri abusua mu ade ɛho akɔhyehyɛ abusua foforo bi mu a yɛfa mu nkyerɛkyerɛ ɛne emu abrabɔ. Na nso so no bebree ɛdaadaa ɔmo ankasa ɔmo kra. Ɛsiane sɛ ɔmo ni nɔkorɛ ɛwɔ som a ɔmo som mu. Na ɔmo mu abrabɔ pa ayɛ sɛ ɔmo soma ma ɔsɔfo anaasɛ odikanfoɔ no. Nanso adeɛ bi a onipa woyɛ bia woyɛ ma wankasa. Sɛ nka wobɛhwɛ so ayɛ ne yie na wadua adepa bi ama wankasa wo ho a nka bere pam no wobɛtwa mfasoɔ pii. Ɛsɛ sɛ ɔma mfasoɔ ba wo so ɛwɔ baabi a wowɔ bia. Baabi kakra bi a onyame de wapie anaa de wakɔhyɛ no yɛ biribi pa bi ma mfasoɔ ɛmmra so. Mɛnyɛ wo ho sɛ wɔn mu a ɛmfasoɔ ɛni wɔn so no. Wɔn mu a wɔn ni adwempa no. Wɔn mu a esum nnwuma nkoa na ɛda adi wɔn abrabɔ mu. Ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn mfasoɔ ba wo so. Ɛsiane sɛ onyame ade akwanya nyinaa ɛbɛboa wo ama wo kwa. Mama esum ɛmfa wo nomum biem. Adeɛ bi a woyɛ bia no te aseɛ na yɛ ne yie. Wofra wo sɛ Kristoni a bo Kristo ɛbra gyanya twem. Na nea woyɛ bia no pa w'ani na hɔ na yɛ ne yie. Na daakye nkontabuo ɛwɔ hɔ ma. Ɛnhwɛ yɛ Bible no mu. Anɔpa yi mikasa ɛwɔ Luke ɛnsɛmpa no etire du nso ɛyi mu du wɔnko a. Luke 17:10. Luke 17:10. I say, all believers are a servant of the Lord Jesus Christ. Agidifoɔ nyinaa. Onipa bi a ɔso wɔbɛsom Kristo na wagye n'atom no. Ɔyɛ Kristo. Ɛdia. Ano nti no yɛsɛ yɛbɔ Kristo abrabɔ yɛtiatia n'anam mu na yɛne no nante sɛ Kristo. Who are working for the Lord in his vineyard. Omu yɛ adwuma ɛwɔ Awurade efie ɛne Awurade asafo mu no. Omu nyinaa yɛ asomfoɔ. Sɛ ɔyɛ ɔsɔfo, sɛ ɔyɛ odiifo, sɛ woyɛ asɔmpani, woyɛ choirista, obi biara a woyɛ na asafo no mu no. Woyɛ ɔsomfoɔ. Enti ne a woyɛ biara no. Ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ ne yie. So one ye ni na to papa so a daakye bi enkontambuo mu no wonim bekuase. Luke 17:10. Also so likewise you, when you have done all those things which you are common did, say we are unprofitable servants. We have done what was our duty to do. Adie biara ayewo sa sese woyɛ na mpo no yɛde ahyɛ wo nsa na woyɛ no woyɛ wie a wo sɛ ɛyɛ wo duty na nkɔpɛ animonyam bi mfiri obi hɔ menkɔ ankɔgye akatua biara wo sɛ wo deɛ wo mfata wo adum bi kura na ma wonya sa gyina brem adum bi kura na ma wo aduru baabi a waduru adum bi nipa bebre wiase onyotofo no wose bebre ho enso mia no wa frɛ me enti Awurade wa bu me wa dɔ me enu tira wa frɛ me enti esesani a wode ahyɛ wo nsa no utimi ye ni yi bebre edi adwuma hyɛ wo nsa amu pa adwuma no nim de ne musuahunu bia anya ni yi na omo atoto apapa so ai ne basa enti amika sa asemi owura bia owo masafo mi de na soma che krachi oni asafo no mu kra no fa se fie be se dumire na dumiensa wanya nanso so sami ye panyi a meda no so okase mu nu ho akonta a mi nya konta pa bi amuma isan se on sachira anadwe enso o se oye osofo adwuma bia odi be manu bia no onye diye asem bia ba bi sanu bia no enada ne atro na adnam saa ye no ti no abre bia no o wa abukyirem na kwan no ayesum kabi na me de no transe church no nyame asem se onhu na onfa mobra mpa onni gidie e nyame asem na saa ye no eda adi pefe se obre e na wo se no esense onipa brabo atise dua esiwirem na osuna ba oni brim sabre no suna asese se wo so aba no wanso aba bia no a atise emfaso ni wuso ojumayeni biara wadua ba na se aba no antimi nsoma wo a e dia reho ne atete ne to so na ma wani nje e wa adwuma wo ye no sempo nso no se eni gina ye pa na adwumayeni no anase adwumawura no na ehwe so yi a asese wudwumayeni no bo homode na wo ye ofamu die esanso onyame no a wo ye huntanhunu yankopon o hwe obi biara brabo o hwe obi biara kwan o hwe obi a oni mahintasem ne esumade na ono ne oketuafo a obetu obi aka ewom sa yewo empanimfo a dida adwuma no nanso so no munyina ya pafo a muye adwuma president a oda omeya no obi ne tua nika ntaje se oye adwuma ama wonyankopon ene ne mu se oye adwuma pa ajani be so no washira no na mo wanyani ya asotwe ade amanuhuru ewo homa enti menya ho okwadufo menya ho otirimodemfo menya ho onipa umuade na utietia obi bia fa ahudie ana gyinabra wanyanti ana baabi kakra onyankopɔn de wahye na odi dwumadi ahya wo nsanti asase ofia komapam wudi obuo ani ahobrase eye wadie biara osi onyame atumi se manya sika ma bia adwuma mafa nkrofo agum so amonya adwuma asase o manfa so ba wo so se adwuma wura no sisiu pa yo fam de onyankopɔn ne aketuafo so nipa bi ene won kampo na opeso obra wasimpa tu no kre anamon na onyankopɔn anyim unyuma ene wabrabo ene wadwene ene ne awoye bia no woyɛ ma wo Nyankopɔn. Ewiase no yɛn nyinaa ewura. Yɛn nyinaa yɛn bɔfo Awurade no. Ɔwɔ hɔ a wɔhwɛ yɛn. Ɔhwɛ obiara brabɔ. Ɔhwɛ obiara kwan a ɔnam so. Na obetua obiara aka. Sansa ɔdo wo ba wiase sɛ bɛyɛ biribi ma mfaso mmra so ma. Asɛsɛ mfaso ba wo so sɛ onipa a wote ase. Sɛ ofiri wiase a adwuma bi ani hɔ bi ma. Anu de abra a wote ase no yɛ biribi. Mansa wo mmere ɛwɔ sumu. Mansa wo mmere ɛwɔ akɔhwie mu. Adwuma biara a de ahyɛ wo nsa sɛ woyɛ ne yie a woyɛ ma wankasa wo mfaso ɛne wankasa wo nhyira. Yɛma korɔkorɔ yɛmpa wo kyɛw asena woayɛ biribi a ɛsɛ woyɛ. Fi ɔpɛpam na fi akomam na yɛ ne ɛsɛ woyɛ na sɛ woyɛ ne yie a ɛyɛ wankasa wakatua pa a wo Nyankopɔn de bɛma wo. Mekae mmere bi a na mefiri akwantuom ba a yɛna mebɛsoɛ nkran ha. Efi a na mekyim na mebɔ mmɔden sɛ medi fie no ni. Nkurɔfoɔ tu me din ahodoɔ. Ebi sɛ wɔyɛ ɔsɔfoɔ, wɔyɛ nyame nipa. Nti na wɔyɛ ameyɛhu sɛ. Nanso so ɛsɛ sɛ aniyɛ bi ka wo su ɛka wo abrabɔ ho. Na ɛda adi ma epie. Sansa Bible sɛ woni wi asase so kanea no. Asi moni asase so nkyene ɛsɛ sɛ wo yira wo de. Eniyama pa ɛwɔ Kristo mu no ɔde bi adua wo mu. Suban pa Kristo wɔ no usu wɔ bi. Sansa sɛ wogye Kristo tumu a ɔbɛtena wo mu. Wakoma no mu na ɔwɔ. Sɛ wotie Kristo na sɛ ɔkyerɛkyerɛ ɔna kwampa no a ɛsɛ sɛ wo so wodi adeabopa ne adeamapa egu kwan mu. Ma onipa hu nipa ko a woyɛ. Na wo ne asase so nkyene no. Yɛkasa asase so nkyene a ɛyɛ su ane ban bi a Akristofo ɛsɛ ɛda n'adi ɛwɔ yɛ abrabɔ mu. Ɛnkyere yɛ adeɛ bi a woyifiri aduane bi mu a ayɛ ana ɛma ne de mpie. Ano ne su no a ɛyɛ Kristo no a ɛwɔ Kristofoɔ mu a ɛsɛ sɛ etimi pie ɛwɔ baabi a wokɔ bia. Ɛntetea a wɔanya wɔ Kristo mu ane abrabɔ a Kristo bɛbɔɔ yɛ na ɔde ne ho yɛ nhwɛsoɔ ane to hɔ pam ayɛ no. Ɛno na ɛsɛ dead. Ɛnna Kristofo kodura sɔ dan mu a ahobrɛaseɛ ɛkasa ne ahobrɛaseɛ ne yɛ bi. Nanso so opia abɔnten na ɛka ɔno nko a ɛniyɛ bi a ɛbɛda adi no. Kwa bi a ɔnam soɔ no. Emre bi mi na ma na mi ko hyia osafo maame bi. Mi hyia no a na mi yɛsɛ ɔno di ka hu me. Ti kɔ pɛ sɛ ɔdɔɔgye. Na mi mahu na esie dadaada. Enti wa na mi hu sɛ baabi a ɔbaa yi fɛ. Ayɛ ɔdɔɔgye me ɔde bibi suma. Enti bisumi si makoma mu egya sɛ mi titia no na mi hu ne ɛkɔ so. Na nase ha opeso odwane ehwa na me frɛ no na me ka kyerɛ say praise the Lord. Afa praise the Lord no ohu sɛ ɔgye so. Wa penti eniyema bi a ɔde ahyehyɛ ana trouser bi a ɔde atake ne ho sɛ ɔsɔfo maame. Unprofitable servant. Ni ewo mu ni ati mu. Ɛna yɛse Kristo som no ɛne ne akumam. Na mom ne afia kumam ne wa kumam ne busu no ene na dead we abram. Ena unhu ya oye Kristoni ane ya onye Kristoni. Edru kwasia da asodan nyina ya mma. Nanso so enema ekoso ewo ye mantamu ene ya afie mu. Na obisa se ohwan ni Kristoni. Ye nyina aba Kristo mu a ya be ya asomfo. Menka se menya osofo ana menya asopani. Obi biara a wo asafo no mu no onyame frɛ wo ene botae ene bibi pentia. Nanka wo ya ho nya fenche obi na wongu ni nimdie ansi obi bia. Onyame frɛ enketwa fra kɛseɛ afra titiro afra brempɔ nyina. Awo na som. Baabi a wonya ntetie koduru ye bia no Onyankopɔn so ohia wo na mfaso bi ɛwɔ so. Esensa asikafo ani anibie ani ahiafo nyina bagina temu adwananim. Na obebu obi atense ne ne nnwuma tie. Anu ti baabi a wo bia no hia sa obro ho ase na wo sosompa na mfaso pa bi aba so. Krachi ya na me kana semi. Onyankwanya ekọ asọre esika ho. Na ya pon ya na obi ka chem se osofo e. Nipa sumasi di sika ne nsa bo sika mu nsa ebutum. Okay ya no me so ugitum. O se a mi hu ya mani. Opa ye mi sanu. Am so ye janu. Because in channel kokasa ye tu ni fu church na nyama bebre. Ana me ya se mesati mi di mani behwe no. Anu ti ya tu collection wie pa wo be page sika no. Ento page ya pa no na ya se ese mi check na mu. Se ye no kra. Eno kwasem pa. Me ya dadi sika bi no to bi a esombo atumu. Ekomu na sika do dim. Wayi? Enti ya pon ya na me ka chia no se. Me soma no koto biribi emra me. Na mo sika ekuta me. O sika wonko. Awa no yi sika ni PS sika na won botom yensesa. Enti onim se ye be yensesa aba. Afia na mahu se ni ayaka fa no ho no aye no. Amen. Ani ye bi wo wa. Aya ni Yesu se ye fast. Krachi wantimi atra safo no mu biem. Ya metia de se obi ahe no sofo. Na minim nimdie ko ani kwanko a ye fa so ye hye no sa sofo. Abrabo bi a ye bobia no ye boma ya ye hu. Wo ye adwuma ye nu ana wo ye adwuma wura. Ye wo adwuma ye metietie adwuma ye fo no memu omo anintia. Hye won kura ne na kakasa pa kire wo. Momu nokura a ewom. Di nokura mensisi obibia. Na obibia ho hia ewo Kristo asafo mu. Asafo no mu no wo se edan kese na esi ho no. Yemfa ade ba ko pe na esi dan no. Enotie wom. Abuo wom. Enua wom, enade wom. Ni nyina kire se enu na be ma dan no atumi agina. Na obi aso ho mfaso. Anu ti so wura asafo mu a hu se esesa wo ye wadwuma pa e wa asafo no mu. Na Onyankopɔn ebetua wo ka e wo ba bi odo to ye bia. Obi timi fra no yonku adwumayini ka kire se ofa adwuma na bo obododo. Anya wo papa dia na wo ye adwuma ku hu sa. onua ntie no ye na ye ni ye na wo ye ma ho utra obi fie na o siesie fie no a onyankopɔn hu sɛ wo pepa so be ya de yi obema so asi dan no bi me ba enkraha na mete kanda no a metia no metu firi fie no mu ana me ba kalabule awo kaso akwai so a me benya dan awo brigade efie na me ba no na ya se nipa kro no osi fie no na onte ase na efie no mu afu enwira agi fie na fa me bo modern say ba bia me tibia no se me siesie ho me siesie fie na emmoa bi agi fie na fa me dem paibo ani adwumaden ayi fie ba bonten light yi fie ho me ko gi meter aba fie no mu nipa na ohwe fie no so hu say maye fie ni ye no afi o ka kire me say o gi dan no anu na me ka je nsemi ni ama mbere kakra na me fatu o so on ti ase obegye ne dan saa yei ama me bo mpa Yesu fire wo Yankopɔn ma onyame tie me na omame amasase ama me nso me eden mitimi etoye esi dan no bi sa kamanye ni ametimu ni ya nko Yankopɔn emfi me ya madwen se me akasa anya me fie entima ye nsa ni amepa enko onyame emfa me de ema me Romans chapter 3 verse 12 was they have all turned aside. They have gone together, become unprofitable. There is none who do good. No, not one. Obi biara. Enekiso sumno ani abrabona yebon. Obi biara de na Daniel sisie. Eni enokre ema ye ho. Adwuma na oya sika na ni di akire. Ohwe adwuma ne nkoso. Oya nsada biara wagye sika akọ. Se adwuma ne begu, se adwuma ne beye yie. Emfa no. Ye nyina ya debema ya fia kwanso. Ye ye yankasa ye pe yakoma pe. Na mom emra ne hihye no ade adwuma no. Ye mfa nya adwuma. Asori no ye so osofo dia. Osofo ujatu enye yie. Oka bibi pa bia cha asafo banso oso didi matem. Ama adwuma na ye den. Enso ya no mra fi se. Osofo bia no wo akontabuo ewo wasafo maso. Anu ntinu ese ade bia wo ye bia no ye ni na wo ye ma wo. Ye ni palifodi. Anam sika kakra onyame de ama ye nti. Ahomaso ayeye ma. Ye ni ya. Esan so susu se wo ye university graduate. Awo ba bia mpempenso a onyankopɔn de waduru saa bia no. Ba bia wo bia no ohia wa ho brase. Obese mfaso emra wo so. Abusua wo dam omu obia. Ampanifo ewom otietia won so ayom ayakayakade. Anu wira fi say obi mmoa ana duduru ba bia wadu. Ade bia ye bia no. Yen hwe ne yenye ne yie. Na daachi nkutambuo e ho mai. Owura bia owa abusuam no obra ne ho ase. Na empanimfo ewom adwene ne ho esi ni pani wa abusua ne mu. Obaya panyi wie ye na fedie. Otietia empanimfo no so. Omuwo okasa wanim sade ope. Ya mpesa ote ho ase ne se. Onyankopɔn yɛ katuafo. Ancha yare bi bɔ no. Omu ya na yare no yenya no aduru. Ye koba ya ne se omu ade. Enti so obekwa onko ma ye ho ntoye. Onipa ni yawo onipa kafa ho ewa asase su no. Ewi afi se Onyankopɔn se odisafo na man. Ye ba chicha za so ba chiri wo soro. Enti se ye di ho dance pa. Sa na osoro nso ebetro adipa fa. Ni yawo bia no. Hwe na ye ni yawo yeyi. Anopa mi tofo. Menye onipa emfaso ni uso. Yadu ye biribi a enye yie. Yadu ko ba bi a enunguase na odeba. Manfaso amra uso na onipa ne wo. Kristo di biribi biara efata na ese no odi ama wo. Otufo dan da enso onipa ya na dwe se ontie. Odi na futu pa ne kasa pa ne kyerɛkyerɛ odi ne nyinaa mae. Hwɛ asuafo no abrabɔ no oni yenti no ye fra won say they are Christians in Antioch. Ye unsa mu di Kristo achi wa abrabɔ no oni ye e da di pefe say omu ye Kristofo. Anopai makasa achiro se manfa so pa bi mra wo so na ohu hia ema Awurade. Manya wo kokota se umu ade. Manya wo otimodinfo ana ba bi a wanya agina nti. Tama onya adwuma no na obra no ho ase. Ena ne saka ye no ahomaso bi ana ba bi kakra bi a dibia bi a wanya nti no. Omu obia sesa. Fanokredie ni abrabopa. Ma ube da bi nye da bi na o ani enye ani. Na enumu ena Onyankopɔn ahwehwe. Sanse ni onipa ogu no enu ana obetwa. Enye se wo wu awie no ne yebeka ho nsempa. Esi wo wu no ne yebebo mass anase yebeya asore ama heaven bia ma wo. Heaven ani wabrabo a wo bo na asase su ha. Gya pa bi a usi ye. Emodi mo bi a oyire wo ho. Subampa bi a wo da nadi. Ade biara a wo ye bia no ye ni ye. Na bebu ho attended. Anopai wutie free York FM. H1 TV akasafidie so. Onyankopɔn asɛm ana media mawi. Onua fa koma pagye na kura wa brabo so wi afi ho a. Na ba bia wo bia no. Hwɛ na ye ne awo ye yie. Na wo ye ma wo ho. Wo ye ni ya. Onyankopɔn so de bi hya wo nsa. Amfaso ama ne awo ye so a. Onyame begye ne awo de ma wo no kura fi wo nsam. Sanse ade nyina ne Awurade. Anope watie afi osofopani a friend Samuel Sakode. I'm one Rock of God Bible Ministry asafo. Makane ya kyerɛw onipa. Sesa na wo ahomaso na odwa do. Sesa bra ho ase na Kristo kura bra no ho ase. Ya ne papa Nyankopɔn no adi ne ho adanse. Na brabo so Nyame ani a na ya hobrase abrabo. Na kwai no asini ya na ye kwan pa ofa so. Anu ti onipa wo ne hwan. Ene wo binti obi anka wasem. Osu se wa na ode ho. Nanso ontumi nya biribi ama ho. So Nyame dom wo na ode usi baabi pa. Men hwa ho na be ma ho so. Na ni awo bia no Onyame na di ama wo. Baabi a waduru bia no Onyame na di waduru ho. Bra ho ase. Menya ho onipa yadu ye biribi a enye yi. Na mo baabi a du beko bia no ye biribi pa. na ne awo ye bia no wo ye ma wo omre kakra na wudina asase su no ekotabu o ma be ma were mfi adwuma bia onyame de wa hyem no ohia se obri bi pa bi no epie ho adanse na obi di fa ho no asese daadi se wo ye no kwafo mensesa menhwe obi abrabo menhwe obi ni ye na nia wo ye bia no wo ye ma wo anopai makasa acho hwem na yi ne ye tie na fa afutuyi na ebeboa wo menye obi amfaso ni oso na mo manfaso pa bi emra wo so e ba bia wo bia anopai onyame nhiraw asafua utie yen e wo the Rock of God Bible Ministry yawo Akwele New Market Road Ghana Commercial Bank udu ho pesifam Martin Olive Pentecost Church and yanu omo ebo ho pe kosiada na onkro ne ahya sumase bodum yenu a ne yapon etie onyame asem na ye kanokra ya chechrew ne yesese wo ye a wabrabo besiwi ya wada bia nso ne ye biboda wetimi aka ye ho bi nfi asori ankan mu abam ye bom paye ma osuru tie ye onu abeka ye ho na so be ye nhira so penchechire mu bi abetimi afa telephone number 0247 0243 741 2222 0243 741 2222 anuanom onyame nhira se obefa asemi na wodi aba abrabopa na onyame nhira aba abraboso koswara de beye yi oti aside anidaso e wo homa onyame nhira peace shalom.
And it shall be that whichever of the families of the earth that do not come up to Jerusalem to worship the King, the Lord of hosts, upon them shall be no rain. But you are here in Jerusalem tonight, so there shall be rain on your life. Lift your right hand. And your mommy, hey, I said, but I was saying, me down, yes, you are there. And your mommy, and your mommy, yeah, I said, you can worship with me, me down, yes, you are there. Anaji anyuma miti anyuma kwacho mi dia miti hey ayana obi timasio she mi da wuna eswabe wabenya ni mi she mi da wuna eswabe nyane mi beta unsani fa mi da wuna yeah eswabe wabenya ni mi. Can I get worshipers in the house? I said, yes, yeah, me down, oh, no, yes, and your mommy too, and your mom, got on me, yeah, I know, be to myself, me down, oh, no, yes, and your mommy too. Me da ho, yes, you are there. Anaji anyuma me to you, anyuma. Hey, go tabala baba. I say, the rain is coming. The rain rain is coming. Oh, Mona, that's why hey, I am in Sunny, hey, I'm a Jesus, I'm a yes, can you worship with me everywhere you are? Hey, I am in Sunny, Major Natia, I'll be I'm a very my soul. Antala baba babo shatata. Misania, Mijamatia, Abibio, Shah. Lift up your two hands everywhere you are. I say, and I see you today. Nato, what is in your master? When I was a young man, Nato, Namada, was it Media Nato, Namada, was it someone get you for better cosplay, Nato, Namada, was it. You remember this one? If I was sending from the studio to Janico, not Shannon, if I was sending from the Tunico, Shannon, maybe he doesn't understand what is going on right now. Shannon, Bisana said, he nana why was sir, Bisana Mamia, he nana why. Oh, sir. And I was to say, yeah. Joy, yeah. Bataya. Where you know, I radiatum the Shiabizan. Peja Ankachu, Peja Costro. He nana why was sir. Minie, he nana why. Oh, sir. And I was to say, yeah. Hey, I saw me, whatever I say. Yeah. One cast of phones, as you were. He nana why miss Abraham, he nana wama was so a savior. Better Ankasim, better Cosra. Hey, Nito. No, why? Change to another person. And you walk, and you will so, and you will so, and you will so, and your boys you, and your baby arrow, and your 1 year, and your minute. No, hey, Kotaba, I saw me the sea. Do you know that I didn't give even one invitation to anybody? Do you know? Grace. When I entered this room, I said, wow. I didn't know that Jesus will favor me this way. I see favor. Favor is coming upon you. I never knew. Hey, pata. Hey, I didn't know. Sonimu. Something is about to happen here. Hey, call about Shata. Favor me this way. Thank you. Someone gets it for Pentecostal. I didn't know. Jesus will favor. Receive favor. Yeah. Kontana baba shata. Thank you. David say, "Oh, come here, so young." Tell me, she has it. Yes, you tell me sorry. Hey, somebody, I'm a who I'm myself. Would you tell me I'm some here? I said, "Oh, what is this? I am a young woman. Yes, hey, I tell me who I'm myself." I said, "I am going." Hey, what come in so many who want it? Hey, tell me, she has it. So what she has? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Many are sorry. Me say, "Oh, sorry." I said, "Oh, grace is falling." I said, "I know." Then I said, for 1 minute. I said, "I know." Hey, you know. Hey, you know. Say yes. I'm a one myself. I said, "Oh, I said." I love this song that says, I love it so much. When I think of all you've done for me, oh God, my words will be enough to say I'm grateful. When I look around and see the beauties, my words will be enough to say you're wonderful. I'll take it again. When I think of all you've done for me, oh God, my words will be enough to say I'm grateful. Can you join me? When I look around and see the beauty, my words will be enough to say you're wonderful. Hey, Lord, I will never forget how you raised me up. Hey, oh, taba. And I will never forget how you wiped my tears. Hey. And I will never forget how you brought my feet back. Hey, Lord, I will never forget how you raised me up. Hey. And Kojo, I will never forget how you wiped my tears. Yeah. And I will never forget how you brought my feet back. Everybody lift up your two hands and lift him higher. Jehovah, can't you melue? Oh, Sumiria Tata, Akama Boro Isinana. When I think of all you've done for me, oh God, my words will be enough to say I'm grateful. When I look around and see the beauties, my words will be enough to say you're wonderful. Lord, I will never forget how you raised me up, and I will never forget how you wiped my tears. Hey, and I will never forget how you brought my feet back. Hey. Hoti wanye dikagi, ndiye mama, bulye. Pega wani chansosa, bulye. Hey Seigneur, Jehovah akande melue, osumiria tata. Agama baro yisinala. David say, "Makoto busam, asoti, iba, afel, me when Jesus say, "Show to me." One catch for trouble. Yeah, Makuma. What be telling us? What be telling us? You say, "Jabi, Jabi, yes, I know. Jabi, Badama." You want to leave this place with a blessing. Makota Musabe, Aswati, Biba, Afei, show to me, Jamaica, yeah, Makuma. Anachiwaye. Sada, when me yat na peja handkerchief. Why you? I find me the word through baby. Harry Sada, let the Lord hear your voice everywhere you are. Yeah. I see fire here. Harry Pame, Numuta, Anachiwaye. Harry Sada. Why are you? And we're standing frozen. And we're standing shame. Yeah. Ushers. Be alert. Why are you? Everybody. Numuta. Then as I'm showing you why. Media man no point to me. Manu to me, hey, media me sit down for Namada. Yeah, me know me a sick. I want to be baby, Chami to me from any, and some know what I'm to know around it. Yeah, many, but yeah, many mama forever. Come in, yeah. Hey, I don't want to say anything. Hey, no, you're sooner. Chocolate, my son, na hindi eda na battery so turiye wa yo futufuo che anyway o shama different mu enemy fi ba mu ni na say na yesu na waya esirani we radia hey who am I na we bianca junisa Wama fire, yeah. And mama wants to check. Make it a shot is on my. Everything is so for video. Check. And if you did na bubu, video na bubu. And if you did na bubu, young giant, yeah, it's a young fantasy. Hey. And come and go free, and come and mommy water. Yeah, the mama suffer a day. You call a for tango. Oh, hey, Ranty, Peda, handkerchief. Yeah, Sangara dinner, yeah. It's one as I see, it's one as I see at all. Horses are left. Do you know what did this year? Do you know that people came all the way from Côte d'Ivoire for this program? What are you talking about? That's what I'm taking you somewhere. So we are going to be Shiranka Yenerate a friend called Jama Free Adriana Busiam Baby kansa wodonina Beshiraka Yanarate Yeah Afraid and free Adriana Busiamu Hey down some yaduna Fikansa wodonina I'm a frafra kaya nitsafa Hey Why are he mine Any are software Chobai I'm a young company. Oh, my friend, you're coming to me. Hey, where are they? I'm a young software. Mommy, I'm a young company. See, I can't. It's my associate to my nose. Can it yeah, and you're young. I can't it. Let I catch you once. Why am I? Yeah. Minim Niamenya. Minim Niamehuru. Etina Menya. Eskedia minim Niamenya. Minim Niamehuru. Share. See what? Yes, Niamenya. Etina Menya. Media minim Niamenya. Why am I your corner? Quite full. Bobby Pagan is some year now. On ce sang, what you overcome, Chobai, share on sa, what's that? Why am I not gonna cry for? Hey, hey, Mama, yeah, my sister. I ready to see something. I ready to see something. What you want? Show me some horses. Yeah, what's up, hey, sir. It is raining over here. Sacranum. Yeah. Why am I champ? Mimikatabo. Yeah, what's your say? Why am I champ? I said me see what I wouldn't say. Mikatabo. Why am I? It is raining. Horses. That's how we feel. silent on God. Don't be silent. Woman, grace is falling. Grace. Somebody worship the Lord. Something will happen here tonight. And come here. And it's a baby. When you go see away, Timmy. Never will and so I said, Uncle, I join you with our background. Miss them in you. Some go to war, some is only war. Nami Prabu Kancha, we are sad as a night. Mumbra Mesha, but you go in. So what you say? 2 million Asha. Yes, I want to go. So what's your the debut of Masu Nasura Biesa, and the rains are falling. And Krafubia the day, Bible said that. And when the covenant got to the house of Dagon, he couldn't stand that night. He came down. No, once yes, Cantamanto, one in our Tiasian para, and Yamimunina, Yamenu, Oko Kroko, Ahunta, Judah Mujata, Unawaka Bamo, now Sansua Edinao, Okasa Preco, Yamenewo, Ayabiafu, Opomponi Yamie. Okay, damn pom. When I'm here, I am punching them. Hey, within the Yoa Rafa, Sakana, Tikunu, El Sadai, Shediam pom, Yamenewo, Jehovah Donai. When I'm here, I am punching them. Hey, Elohim, Elolam, Wukwana, what's your da. Hey, yeah. Tamanto, Ajay, one in our Tiasiampara, hey, and Yamibuna, Yamene, Oko Kroko, Ehun Judamujata, Unawaka Bamo, now Sanswa Jinao, or Casapreco, Yamene, I am Yafu, or Pomponi Yamie, Chediampo, when Yamia Trewa and Panshida, eh? Ujiri Rafa Sakana Tikunu El Shaddai Chediampo Nyamenewo Jehovah Adonai Adinina Sutumfue Elohim Elolam Wokwana Tiasi da Pega um Samuel. Hey, I me see what you want. You are my healer, you are my keeper, my restorer, my life keeper. You are the living God. Listen. You are my healer, you are my keeper. The Lord is healing somebody there. My restorer, my life keeper. Hey. You are the living God. Oh, lift up the handkerchief. Shake it higher. You are. Oh, Taba. There is an anointing coming to the top. Anointing Yabasoha. Anointing Yabasoha.
The Chemun Sam de Yankopon, the Nimun Samone, Nade or the Minumiano, and I Yedimapa. Ain't you know, in summer a sea anajo, a sea and numre, Amache, and any Akikano. York morning, Yabuano Secasiabo, Ebiso a paper review. I the Baba Songo, but what the answer will show a me or Kamavo Clement, and my weather for a York morning. So every Monday up to Friday. 6 a.m. Now for Yamfa in summer, I see what money munina, Emerson. Yabekwa Amama Nina so, Yabekwa a Puania Toya Baby Biara, a Samuel Channel, Yadebeba, na Afe Minumi, I drink one or minor, the Kanko, and in a Bob Rebebia, I see Afa, Shiaman, Nayandri or minor.
Abusia nonso abo yemo bibia ache emu akwa abade oba York FM any HYTV eso anopa nonso nsema hodo ayensa aka ena yabua no ayede ba beso mo se kasebo ewo York FM so na kasebo no ebetwa no ho yabua no ene abefo ntentan kase no so no Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp baby ubetimi akwa akotwe bi na wakenkan odu adwen kyerɛ ba bere pam no ya bekenkan nyina akma ade amount kasia no de betomu de bedi mu akoti no ebi nie Penny ono ena yamra sebedwani edema adehye ewo noton onimonyamfo Samuel Okujeto Abrakwa akyerese krono sama ye ekoso wo abibimamu ena ama emabunu no entimi hu omoahoa no emobra ensem bika wenum ho ena yaje Penny yede eba beso sa no pa no so kase ebo ewo HYTV ene York FM so na empani si ukoto se bodom oti apata so na enye ni pemu na emom obi ena ede no akwakoso na no pai ebi a wonam kaso ane ne mpotemu ba bia obehu oba bi na nafu awuro tintin be sese na ne mu abuse na ne nantie no okone left right twini nya say press before him na no obi apia na nadwo na no pai no nyuma ko ya dawroma na apia me de kase no eba beso na aseda kase yɛmfa nkɔma Han York Estate nsase no ɛdɔɔso bebrebe ayɛfofofo nso kama wobɛtumi agyibi na wode asi aso dan ebi nso a woyɛ hotel bi ne ade na aboa wo paa bɛrima ne nea wɔyɛ japade de agya ne manti kɔgye nsase no bi wammɔ bra akora na anya asase a watɔ de agya wo ma afei nso Adams Boutique ɔmo nso ekura yimu mi yɛde kase ɛbɔ ne brɛ wo fra wɔn 0243 708-485 0243-708-485 when na aso yasene ma yede anopa no nso akan kase na eba beso no kenkanfo eyemme His Excellency Nana Kwame Owusu Nana Tino the Achim President etwe ya hotel ye ba ensam ni nkire mu yede ba beso Abushia mu akwa ba fe na ode wa fidie na to ha kai hunu say eye York FM na yedem live ewo HYTV eso na yenhye kase no ase Penny ono ena ejina mu jina de hye ewo noton enyina na mu semra hye bedwani eye onimonyamfo Samuel Okujeto Abrakwa ana okase na okyese uba no abibimamu ha eyade a krono sama bibifo mpanimfo ata bo enti no ama emabunu no ato won ba ha ama omani so aye omuntonto ase mosini afenu abakurum ne nase funfram ase buronyada ama emabunu no ani aye omuntonto pa ama omunhunu ni omunye esanse aniema etwase bibifo mpanimfo ye nanka edi mpuntuo ebre emabunu nanka omo nso timi sipi esita gina pinti won na so na ne oya dwuma no aso obogum saa ne amani nyina ntimi nkoso enam produti we na beba abamu a na ne ofa aban ne ode ne nsa bod aban sikam se from ene ode ne nsa mienu ode we sha no ode we sha no adi ne se funfram enti ama maburu ne bre dwumadi ese ekoso mpuntunum ese ekoso ni nyina no maburu no entimi nkoso nti no omo nya adwuma nya ena omo ato asayiram na say eno cancer mo kasa no eno osane edeba from the ba ne mamu the ba Ghana ha say party sam yade a ekum oman ne papa si ebeyi yeyam asum oman ne sompa enka ebe ma maburu nso hu atimi ato nti before penifo nhye yi enkanka ne oman Ghana.
Often politicians forget that there are greater virtues, there are nobler tasks which far transcend just winning an election. And that there are times that you even must do things that may not necessarily make you popular for the next electoral cycle, but is in the larger interest of posterity. And generations upon generations will remember you for what you did. And as Dr. Klujesin said, the seed that you sow will germinate, and generations will be blessed because of that.
Enti ebama maburu no enso etimi adiye na eno eti no ana opani owura Prince Klujesin enso de kakra eto ane nsam so krachen me no ya adweminia why ya de papa na me so mu obi kan me ko bi ne mankan bi de ene efa nyinam sam anko bi kura nkaye ene kakra me so me de beta wasam ne tuoni
many years, for the last 60 years, the biggest problem has always been that of natural resources. So first, very laudable, for the the e-levy or digital levy, whatever you want to call it. Now, the reason I'm saying that is that government is saying that it's a best way to be able to sustain the economy for many years in terms of continuous accumulation of revenue through these sources. It's funds that we needed. We need to be very clear as to what exactly that we need, what is the objective of the e-levy. If it's money that we needed, then I want to advise that let us, defer it for now and find other innovative ways to be able to find revenue for the country.
Omande say penny a yakote ne nkan aye Prince Krujisen ono ena de kakra etai onimonyamfo Samuel Okudjeto Abrakwa mrahye bedwani edema de hye won no ton ne nsem a okan no kakra ono so ede soso no enkopiem yentufa every ho na yenkopiem ewo takrade eye omanfo nyina ni musem se asem kase a esi wo ho ene oba pani Josephine Penny ebeto odwa ewo afi etwa ni mu nu se wayera na onyen na ensam no yede no ababa ane yoyoyo achene srani abasa tutu ne saa kra na ne mpampa so ya ba bedunie na no ada ho yebo wa mane ye wo yen kase yebo so ewo bra okama fo crement ejina apaso na okenka kase yebo no odi tu dwa che yen se o ka otoko asetena no ni kunu ene ne maame aba bedi adanse se yade ana aba yo ene onyem ni kunu si day one on the ono a ene ne aba yo afro mpa di mpa so atopanwo sisi mugro ene e kameto mpa so na oti ni sisi mu ahoma yi ni mu se ewo fan mo obaya fa afuru pe ba nchi dedew na ade aba beto dwa update aba ne se a doctor for ye hwehwemu no o chese o aba yo ano no onyem no onyem na ne ho deden eye bagoroma bedamasi aguro bi na ode oman no edi na ubeka yi a wobra abayo na eyira ye no na oba yehu no onipa odi kan edi adanse na oye carpenter ni kire se o na abayo na toba ha pa otim se akromfo no allegedly ye che no omobro na party tia na yase miamia na ma ne ba na onyensen no ene prematurely onye owo ne ba force eti na abayo na toba ha doctor for sense mi nyina nya nokre eyade na abayo na ho de na pomu gina ogina ne na so se pentin na ne lawyer doctor lawyer Philip Fifi Backman ena ede ochurch nsem ekire nsem trofo ekire se o ese ba bi omo aba bedu ne de ne bo atode yama ne sa no obekoso akonkoden na adanse a doctor Jerry James Abobra ebeka ye no o on de ne bojo so na enye ne nwanwa se obeka sansem ni nyina na omo befa akwan foforo so so omo beye na ehwehwebu mapa ebegina ne na so wasa asemwe.
Oh, we are progressing. We are progressing as is expected by the bench and the bar. So I believe that we are all doing our best. Yeah. Prosecution called 3 witnesses, and I had to cross-examine all the 3 witnesses. Though I had to see the lips of the PW5, that is the doctor from Azim. So we come next time, and I come and continue with my cross-examination. What happened was that I would have finished, but the doctor's witness statement was not provided to me. So everything that was said was not disclosed to me. So I had to, take that viva voce evidence and also go and study whatever he said before I come. So it was like a surprise, but eagles are not surprised.
Abusia pani ayati ne nkan eye lawyer Philip Fifi Backman ono ena ye lawyer ni a oginam atwitwaje Josephine Penny Mensa takrade abayo a oyera ye se onyem na oyera ye no ono ene lawyer ni a oginam atwitwa age no na yantu akase ebo no eso ya to aso ani akwa akopiem ewo atifido mantem efiri mfifi mantem ahwi tu atifido mantem na enam say ayaresabia ewo sabalugu atifido mantem kropon mu akwa ne wa ma de hye wo ho o omo abre onam so a ube bre say ya tam sa wo akora na wo kwakowo anhwe ya no awo kwam na de hye a ewo palitule ewo atifido mantem ho de o ade omo ba ma ne say omo bre papa so ne ukunu bagrom paso betu sisim de wo beyi mu akama na ukunu ase onyinsa embele na ebeduru wabosome enkuno so se wo kwakowo na obetu anamo se wo ko sabalugu ayaresabia ene obewu okwam obebre papa enti achirefo dan teachers bungalow baako a ewo kwalutule ene apemfo ene wone nya kan wa no mo dan woni ni ahweho ene obewo nwu ene abansa kan nya duru ho nkwa de jemu ube jemu ba afọ so enti omo yi teachers bungalow ne baako ene ho na emuduru ano ene pio no mo awo enya nika na wakọ he ba bia teacherfo da omo kro mo dabre mu yesei ni yesan ho so ni yesan agi awo ka ho enti omo sra aban say aban be ye omomoa entwitwa nyu on say de be ya ye benya ayasa bia na church compound kra na nke yetimi de aba be bo mo ho na nke teacherfo ewo kwalutule enso asum adwuon kakra na say no okasa ede chance ntwerofo bra ye bopini wom no de omo hi asem eto aban enim
chan la darne kana yi kuna chan zahambu de zama de nyela problem zanti to fan wane te mina shifti ma ru wa pam kam de la karo wa hali a wel stranya nan champagne mane problem yele de zo den chaka to bore ni iswang tsakati nye health facilities fan wane kat ba te problem be to wum sama kar balagi
I'm in Chang Hospital
kama ku yina ka jingo ruzo odiyan wummo kuma
to wahala za dola scan ma basaha an janga shita kam tata gban pala ke na shan to ma scan an to ke bi asba shi kurgata kanyi papula nya yisa na tabe na chan halle na shitman biya yiro mi ka chan waka enje ai dan ye kamoto dia ai dan ye ka bambargo en lihra makalli no na to san ta hamo kar sa shere yan san ta o me ka ja ba sha'ala yan san wanya no sham haka ta pago o en shi makalli ra ka yin chena so an yin chen ma so na table ka mi so chena ka ne tara sa ba shi ja haka to gude.
They feel reluctant to go there, and as a matter of fact, most of them when they give birth, the small babies are normally not well, and some of them they do die during labor. We are facing a lot, and the ladies are complaining.
Enti sa yayire no munyema aya na de feel reluctant de abranje ne kan no enti aban meyo omomwai se ne be ya bia be kwakama de ama na aboa ema omoyire no enyim na omo wo a ene omo nsura chiri sesei akoma se obi ne yere kura ba beda o se he masa chifrim because all banyimi bro bebre atepo ni atete all befa mu nyina be wie no eba ne se onko ayaresabia obebre betwi ne yafu sa no akwa kopiem wo sabalugu ene se ne ebeba ne sade ne nka twifiri no omu digu nchensa asa branti bia manitia no digu nchensa yentu akase ebo no eso yetu aso ane akwa akopiem yemfiri atifidu mantamu hwi ne yemunguram ewo epoye mantamu eastern region adisia ewo achem mase mankron ena esu obubu ofu tiam se ebui oduman kuma boy yen de ba asase isu be man ye ba bitina ka kire nsa yen no yen siesie so na yen siesie ni ye pa na ebiribe beba ye nyina ye beba besa one lie before besa one lie na brofo na sa one lie akwakobu akonta asase e betena so no na we die obi a bobra esi dan si kakra pese baby obenya ne ti beto na edan si enyi nyina nso ye besi a ejina enkofu esu saboa wala tu wala sa omo etu san no mo na mutu esan na mo de abrɛ ne enya bi enso de asi edan na saboafo yi a etu san ɛwɔ achema ase mankro no enkofu no ade omo ye no anikanim Langard ɛna ɔmo akɔkɔsɛ sɛ ɔmo de aba begu maase mankron sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo betumi abɔ asase no ho ban na ɔmo tumi etu sani bebrebe na sɛ wodan wɔ hɔnom a wobehu mfikyire woda hɔ anadwo abɛti ku ne etu esan no wɔ w'akyi ahwɛ koraa na wodan no yɛdwira gu wɔ hɔ ade abɔ pum ɛsɛ aberanteɛ sɔre pie ne yɛ wɔ asase no ase no esan wɔ hɔ paa nti ɛba betu san no baabi a mɛmɛ da no matɔm asase no ɛsɛ pie wopɛ wumpɛ pie na yɛndwiri wo dan ne ngo ne yɛntu esan no yɛmfa nkɔma nkɔfo foforɔ na ɔmo mfensi ɔmo dan na wo baabi a ɔda kura nyansa bi enim enti amomo adwa papa mo si dey no happy too much ɛnneɛma a saaboafoɔ no yɛ no ɔmo di case akɔ akɔma aposifo a ɛwɔ ayensu ano posi command ɔmo de akɔ akɔma no ɛwɔ suhum ɔmo de ansɛm nyina akɔ akɔda no nanso ɔmo mfikyiri wɔn ɔmo mfi wɔn po na ɔmo awɔ ɔmo paneɛ asɛ pani asɛbi wɔyi mframa no ɛwɔ bedwam wo atwi n'ani aposifo atwi wɔn ne wɔn sansɛm no ho saa nti ɛha ɔmo amomo ge ɔmo sɛ ne ɔmo de ɔmo nsɛm bɛto nsɛntwerɛfoɔ anim na nsɛntwerɛfoɔ nka bi na ne ɔmo de ɔmo kasa aban te nso deɛ ne IGP a ɔba edampade ɔbɛto mɛma begum ɛma posifoɔ a ɛwɔ ayensu ano kura ɔmo abɛyɛ mu nsakraeɛ na ɔmo atu anamɔn ɛwɔ ho na bibia akɔ kama ɛde amo because ɔmo ntena ase ɛma baabi a ɔda yɛ mɛbɔ pɔ mu sɛ sɛ ɔpie ada yɛ a yɛba betu nsan ɛwɔ wɔ asase no ase adehyeɛ ne nsɛm ɔmo kan ni
nya me ho hwe a me da ho abafu amayɛ ɔmo akotutu mani nyina agu masi dan wɔ baabi ɛna meduadua akutu tanjuri ne akutupa ɛna kube abrɔfu kube bi abai yaduadua wo fie na no ɔmo abetutu ni nyina kyɛ sɛ ɔmo antu anwea papa bi a hɔ bɛ machine ba no abetu akutu na ato hɔ na ɔkɔ no asa akotu we ato hɔ me kyɛ sɛ since ya wu me nia esi me hu bi da aba ya dua hɔ ne kube adua na bogusu tugu na me se ɛhɔ na me twem kana me na me frɛ na ano agyenfra ɛna me frɛ me nia no ba ko me ni bi ka ho ye ba ya ampa anya sam kitu akora wodi ka dwura ba nyina kogu baby so na obenya kwan etu wo ma anua no na langas fo mutu anua no emo enam krom a wo sabru yen krop omo chi yen kwa ye wa hodin no omo chi yen kwa no ma omo nya upper hand wo ye nua no so ye brother ya wa chichiri ni sei ehwe ne atu ye no ukọ ye area ho emi se ya kwahwe ho
ehu kese pa na aka yen efiri se police kra ba wo mu pamo won woni won kra chese wo mu ba wo mu nka won hwe ne mo asan ya reporter ma kota wo mu so won ba no won bepamo wo mu nya kope na won sia
posifoɔ kra ba na ɔmo apamo na wo timi pamo police Langard wo timi pamo posi ɛne adampare we dia wasumu a sɛ wo mranteɛ ne kɔ hɔ sɛ ɔmo kɔ akosi Langard foɔ na no kwan a na Langard foɔ no di etuo ɛne nkontima na posi ni kɔhwɛ ne kyɛ na dimirika si ba de ya Langard ibo na ɔmo dimirika enti nkube a yɛdua wɔ hɔ mo atu agu bɔdeɛ na ɔmo atwa na ɔmo atetim ten na de ahye ɔmo kora ne sɛ wo wanya kwan anya wa Langadwa ɛne ne hyɛ dan mu na mo yi mu sisim grom pa so atopan wo yemu wo bɛte ane kwan ohun nyanya yi no kora no na ɔmo bom onko bie ne Langard ɔsɛ abrantie pie na mo yi mu ne ama ngu abɔnten na mo mpagya mo da ne nsi nkyɛn ne yɛ ba betu asa anwea ɛwɔ hɔ nom de akɔ akɔma mpanimfoɔ bi na ɔmo de asi dan what ɛsi ɔmo papa na ɛnum na aban krache pani wɔ hɔ DCE ɛde ma ayensu ano onimonyamfo Joseph Awuku Inkum asa ɛnso ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo atu ho anamɔn na sisi adeɛ ɔmo ne asambere nyinaa si nkonya ɛde yie ɛɛtoa yie ɛɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ nneɛma ebesi akɔ ɛde aboa wɔn nti wɔn nka wɔn akoma nto mu yam na ɛnam na awɔtwe mmienu a ɛdi yɛn ntam yi wɔn bɛsiesie biribiara kamakama langa de sɛm nyinaa ebɛfiri wɔn obiara nso asom atwem no. Abusua na yɛbɛgyina onimonyamfoɔ Joseph Ewuku Asa Inkum ne nsɛm yi so ne langard awerɛhosɛm yi so na yɛde kaseɛbɔ a yɛboa no de bɛsom wɔ York FM ne HYTV anɔpa no nso bere mu nyinaa apa no awieyɛ nsɛm no deɛ ɛtɔ dwa ne bi nie. Onimonyamfoɔ Samuel Okudjato Abrakwa a ɔyɛ mmarahyɛbadwani de ma adehyeɛ wɔ nnɔtɔn akyerɛ sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ mmabunu a ɛwɔ abibiman mu ɛne gye yie paa na ɔmotumi bɔ bra bɔ ne yie na etuo ne angorɔ bi adeadeɛ no etuo betumi atwa a ɛneɛ abibifoɔ mpanimfoɔ nya korɔno a yɛ bɔ no ɔmunyae papapapa ɔnam so de kasa kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ munyae korɔno ne bɔ na ɛbɛboa ɛma mmabunu nso atumi ɛho aheha wɔn na development mpuntu a wɔn pɛ no nso atumi aba de ama wɔn. Saa nso ɛna ukopiem ɛwɔ atifi do mantam a Savaligu kwalituli apemfo a ɛwɔ hɔ nso sɛ yeyeyeyeyeye ɛyɛ ɔmo ya papapapapapapa adɛnti a baabi a awɔ ka ɔmo kɔwɔ no they not happy too much. Teachers bungalow ɛne yɛyi baabi a teacherfoɔ da ɛne yɛyi di ama ɔmo ɛna ɔmo kɔwɔ hɔ ɛsan sɛ baabi a etwa sɛ ɔmo kɔ ayɛ asabea no Savaligu no ɛkwan waa ma wobɛduru hɔ no na wawo ato kwam na wobɛtiri ho mfuturu na nyame anya wadom na sɛ wuku ka ho na sɛ wokɔ na woto kwam a oba ne ti etimi bɔ fam ɛma wobɛwo ne sɛ ne ti sɛ etie ni kakra no abenya eti bolege so ɛnyɛ nika enti no aban mehwɛ na ɛne hospital nketenkete yɛ asa anoma anum chips compound ɔmo mesisi bi ɛnde ɛmfɛm ɔmo ɛnsɛm bi ka wei ho ne yɛbo ano de bɛsom sɛ anɔpa no nso aka nkɛseɛ ɛwɔ York FM ne HYTV ɛso na yɛsɔre so yi sɛ manhyia the triple action AFCON no akosi sɛ ɛnɛ hyɛ no nso sɛ the Ghana Blasters, the Blasters of Ghana, the Ghana Blasters. Omu wo akansie ene a omo ne ehefo na ekwakobo. Gabon foi. Gabon so de omo ho aden papa. Omo mu aden kurachi Morocco fo no. Enti ene ehwe animu se anye bia ene yi MD ni mebe ya adwin. Anye bia no Ghana for born in Kona wie na Ghana for da for meka be yensia sansa Gabon for no omumu aden pa gobeni ade omu adie no omu so yegu omu ayi mu nso hie pa nti omu na mu ade born obo omu bo atimu say yes omu nim ni omu ye enye ye die ya omu ahyehyɛ ni biale on frefre kobo pate wo mu grandpa na se ade na ese enti ye free apɛ semensia the sports no ebeto aso na ofiri so a na okamafo Clement nso onka obi asamo ma no enso the York morning no the ato aso se no nso se ene twe na me ntwe enso ebeba so okenkanfo a wote me nka wo kase emu no bi de besom wo me His Excellency Nana Kwame Owusu Nana Tino the President, ye try a hunter, ye ba a good year munsem ever to us. Yakra. When you mean for this,
Joint Pacho.
Adichie mu nsɛm de Nyankopɔn n'anim ne mu nsɛm ne nade yɔ de minu mienu ɛna ya ye di hu dwuma paa enti no nsɛm a esi anadwo esi enumre ahomache ene de keka ho nyina no York morning yaboa no se kasebo ebi so paper review ai de ba besom wo but what they answer obehia me Okamafo Clement ene mabedafo ewo York morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsɛm a esi wo manim nyina emesom wo yebekɔ amama nyina so yebekɔ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asɛm no hyɛ no yɛde bɛba na afe minu mie no yadwendwen ho na wahu ɔman no ne kankɔ ene ne bɔbre ba bi a asi afa hyia me na yɛndwen ɔman no.
All right, Ebusia for your son, so Emma Makwaba. I good you some and I made it every with your family just a share the triple action. Now, yan chassis and I call Obi Mines, so Kobe Mines on your call England. And Dra Cabora Cup, a so. Now, case and Banny, we are not Liverpool. Now, semi finals. Now, case and Banny, we are not Liverpool. Any Arsenal, Obia Aku Etipenko, Obia Etimian in Yonko. Now, I was somebody said Arsenal for any red card. But Liverpool for me to be a fakoto and young kind. And on in summer a PM was our game no. Second leg against Ababaso Eba in Chilemu Ababram. I had twice near call Abratia Karim Benzema. I swear Yana Benzema no Samuel Stefano said Oko France Abratia Benzema. Your name inside the French footballer player of the year. Now you're Kylian Mbappe. And I cross our title now. Brantia Karim Benzema. Or how this our title no every Mbappe. So I said Benzema. I feed any money boy Koye Pan. Super Cup a course over down on Barcelona. I brought to me about whom I go back home. Emma Real Madrid. To Benzema. Koye money pan. I every one. Now I am AFCON in sense. Now Andrew games baby etuja. Games baby etuja. Na send ana results no etie. Obi man so Cameroon the host nation and Bamutimi eche Ethiopia eshomo ekanan ema Ethiopia for etimu back home Abrantie Abubakar Vincent obo brace was 2 goals and Ikembe so and so eche 2 goals Cameroon edi nkunim e was game no na enko anima Cape Verde for so echi Burkina Faso eni omusi aka kense ba na wie no na Burkina for anumomo eka back home Cape Verde for entimi ante no na de course na enenom matches bebre na ene ho yenhwa Senegal eni Guinea enso de besi akan Malawi nso ni Zimbabwe de besi akan Morocco nso ni Comoros de besi akan na the game for today bebre na ehwe no eye Gabon eni Gabon eni Ghana eni the game bebre na ehwe nim se beba no na match no nsem bebre na epiem former ex player for Black Stars Tony Bafo Endra Oshia players no na nsem bi akoso say no kan. Okay, so Tony Bafo Endra the nsem bi etu dwane picture na da so no producer onya video na kamani beji pa Tony Bafo or can Sembi or say Black Stars for they are going for win. They shouldn't worry cry, they are going for win. Send your Tiabiano, I was a win na yade omuko no mukofa eba. Now AFCON they are more worry cry and also say omuyem no mumbobo no mutimi Gabon for say Gabon they are nobody. Gabon, they are nobody. Obubo players, we said Jonathan Mensah, they are you. Any Thomas Tepate said they've been in the game, they've been in the team for so many years. Jamufa experience in Mbua, Lobamiyan, the Muma Kenny Pass, and Abrantiano, Ontimi and Hadri, and only summer. Of course, so now Yanda in Ghana Premier League League table. No say that here producer Fatus Mami. This is Norma Adane League table no Ghana Premier League. Osha Kotoko, and that's so. With 23 points, Kotoko di kan Kinfesa atosu mienu. Aduana Stars atosu miensa. Bechem United atosu 9. Mediama atosu num. Great Olympics atosu sia. Dreams FC atosu so. And Rectamally United atosu watching House of Folk. Hey, Koyo atosu kron ewo ho. Eduni Accra Lions. Dubaku ya baby any Go Stars omutoso Dubaku ewo honum na Karela United etoso dumienu Brekum Chelsea toso dumi Brekum Chelsea toso dumiensa Ashanti Gold obuase hey enkoye kra o omutoso do 9 Now West African Football Association eye wafa omuto to do num sounds na Lagos cities eto to do siam na do enso no eye 11 wonders Elmina Shark eto to do watwe omo na maso awe no na yenhwe mba no so dia ne call the northern side no so mba ne dia no yenhwe ho mba no leg no Ampim Dakuan ladies, I'm going to kind of no Dreams Ladies Football Academy, etosu mienu. Propia ladies, also etosu is miensa ewo Prison ladies, etosu honum. Ashtown ladies, tosu num. Kumasi Sports Academy ladies, tosu siya hona. 7 Savannah FC. Supreme ladies, also etosu and what you na including fabulous ladies. Na duni dia northern ladies. Almost tosu do our south state, south side and so the southern part and also south zone. Azan Ralph, as I can ladies, Eddie can definitely be because I'm not can see no more bonum. A quenim, I'm body most a quenim. Now, ladies strikers and so toss me no police ladies, at also me a son, faith ladies and so tosso and I were home. Very ladies tosso a new misia, tender queen, na sila yo tosu mi and so ho na soccer intel ladies and so etosu e watch na enkrono immigration ladies na you do need the arm ladies when some more bon enkoyi and only the tosu and only the koso e the south zone and ban game no na nyame aduma and 7 p.m. the Black House of Ghana and Gabon for any best so any hot commentary ever bro e HYT na make out said you made Hanyok Estate any Adul's boutique and a soya API Macron.
Adi chemu nsem de Nyankopon nenim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa. Enti no nsem a esi anajo, esi enumre amache ene de keka nyina no. York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so paper review ai de babe somwo but what dey answer we share me Okamafo Clement any my brother for York morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa insema esi wo manim nyina emesomwo ye bekọ amama nyina so ye bekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa Shiamen na yendwen oman no ade chemu nsem de Nyankopon nenim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi enumre amache ene de keka nyina no York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so paper review ai de babe somwo but what dey answer we share me Okamafo Clement any my brother for York morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa insema esi wo manim nyina emesomwo ye bekọ amama nyina so ye bekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa Shiamen na yendwen oman no
I'm bringing another friend on this stage tonight. How many of you love Calvis Hammond? Make some joyful noise if you love Calvis Hammond. Give it up for Mr. Calvis Hammond. From the rising of the sun till it's going down, all the praise shall be to Jehovah, my Lord, my Lord, my Lord. His name is Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nisi, Jehovah Titkenu, the Lord my righteousness. Yes, He is, yes, He is. So lift up your hands and join me in this time of worship. Somebody give. Come on, shoot your hands up, shoot your hands up. Oh yeah. From the rising of the sun till it's going down, all the praise shall be to Jehovah, my Lord, my Lord, my Lord. His name is Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, Jehovah Tikkenu, the Lord my righteousness. Yes, He is, yes, He is. So lift up your hands and join in this time of worship. Give Him worship, give Him praise now. Give Him praise now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's worthy of worship, worthy of worship. He's worthy of praise now. So lift your heads up high, lift them up, reaching to the sky. Give Him worship, give Him praise now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. He's worthy of worship, He's worthy of praise now. Jesus, sorry, oh, Madini na yedi, and he repeats by yes, soon in the self-no, a trial, who yes, it too, yeah, I saw Tibubomo, a yamu, yes, sorry, oh, Madini na yedi. Are you ready? That's a man is a soa. A man is a soa. I think in a bedding. A bear come, yeah. Some of my was a soa. I think in a bedding. I think in a bedding. Some of my was a soa. Pharaoh in Nasraforo, Diwechi, Dindidi. Now what's he say? Now on you now, hey, Mrs. Diwechi. Now what's it say? My one in a booey, only for I sit name and somebody to tear home. To your drinking, not so only kind say, oh, my very media needing Jesus, my God, oh, you're a D. And that's how man is a soa. That's how man is a soa. I didn't unite. Montreal, hey, sounds a soa. I didn't know. Montreal, sounds a soa. I didn't know.
It is the York Morning Show. And you Kenya coupon and our sister and candidate. I don't
Auntie Mamika was said, then you have to see dear. A money must send your coach cover my nano. Get about a sumo. The answer na mecha when some ever become one seminal. Mamika was said, Marioka Sting, where you make for us, I Nepaya, did you make it about a sumo? What do you say? A balance, I said, I just want to catch a pan of a dear papa. The amount of trivia anyone, the uncle Boldia, the uncle Pio Antoine, the uncle Pierre watches a baby and it's for money answer. Longer than somebody of bedroom with you. Yamabia answer for Tabiano, police who won't some court in some Yamasanyamanina, Johnny Free won't never be coming now. Ever share a year on York State, the woman in a year. Woman with Sasia, just a worker, so him says, I see with you. So what the Mawa, bet me a dying as so. The sunset Sassini be one more quarter. Masuki Tibesa 3,000 years. Now with me and for blogging poor and Corso. Brian, you can say, Peche was assassin from 024370 8485 024370 8485. Now when you're on Chichin, come on. You want to check on away, yeah. Kaswakwan Timpone so. Kalabuli Junction. Now anyone, Eddie, come on. Well, Prosakasa be a war so 024370 8485 024370 8485. Anyone actually come on. Mamika will say Adum's Boutique. That's so edge where I was say a slipper. Adum's Boutique. Adum's Boutique. I enter the power of me dressing at the banner. Put you say Koyipa. I'm happy for our wood of a brain and a shopping wall. I'm for £2 and a shopping wall. The patrol men castle will be drug into which we got out there. Will be an end so at the ever horror. It's for Modiana Adum's Boutique. And I also a quarter wood the air. And Tadiana Yatisupan. Will be an end soon in the dear. But so for pursuit near the Albert Miako or come for Pewatadia, so you bet me on your Biama. Just like I Tadia Wagana Hanuma would be a man on any abruche. Bibiarano, Kakoche, a year in Tadiani Bidiaba, Pomodia Salbeba, a year at Rose Boutique, 024370 8485, 024370 8485, and then one to come on. I will send some up on paper, and also Nino, Messanix and Muama, Afia, wounded Puma cigarette, and then Nanati Mude, say about social, political, and economic issues there, not just a branch here, no on penance. All that he desires is that Ghana as a country will move on. I'll be discussing a lot of issues with him this morning, and then it's something that talks upon. But moving forward, Mamicha will send me a better job. You know, we have to discuss that. Now, first on my list, I'm a person who can't accept. You know that 2024 we are going to have an election, but in Sembi I am an Okoni be Akache Ebano, who will say a bit money prepa, especially from the camp of the New Patriotic Party NPP. What is that? I want to go a bano, a manual 70. Not just a watching Mupan. Now, one on when a near day, never yet in Pan, I have what I pan. A banner man, you call MPP DR. Not just a 1 hour day, a free SHS buyer. I did not go be a source of whatever panel. When you could draw at the buyer. Mrs. Sian sent me a dapno as a panel. A year one new flag bearer or person will you know. A year or Alan Trematin. And a Dr. Mahamadou Baumia. Why not what in the Kokujina Ama a presidential candidate? And once some Akoya and some just a year de pan. But when you enter the name so bet my bitch. Yeti uko a year is a one a Dwejiri MP1 Nakate. He said be able if you want my bar. Majority chief whip Emma a year MPP. I will not say your fear. Oh no, I can't asɛm ɛyɛ Frank Anom Dompre ɔse sankofo mienu wo ya yɛbɔ wondi ɛyɛ Dr. Mahamadu Baumia ɛne honorable Alan Trematin ɔse sankofo mienu wo yi no saka yɛ bet akɔmo yɛ sure bet ɛyɛ bet akɔmo yɛ sure bet that's am na no ka no ɔmabɔ bebre wɔ Twitter ne adeɛ ɛka se ei papa ya do kyese otwa bet na ɛho sɛm ne deɛ dɔs pa but let's look at the issue or the about on board. Na semina okano o hwe ni ye pa de a na chese insemono o se sankofo mienu we o mo ye sure boy tintin aka MPP for enhwe mu ye na ko nyi nipa o se fata no won fa no megina the san say o hwe mu ye sankofo mienu we no ka o mo da Ghana for akoma so pa also for Penny Cardinal Peter Apia Jackson eso akasa na okasa no okasa afa sorry any a deep for one some no or say Ghana I was say a share a Rwanda emra wodi pu eye asofo any sorry no sign brano bi na was say ye adwuma ne kasa no ye bekwa kohwe mu nsem kakra na wodi be said National Road Safety Authority atoto nsem bi e de akoma eye schools awodo nyina especially private schools or say one now wodi cars awodo kofa mofrano wobody answer wodi mofrano drivers no any cars no ho information nyina ebebre wo esan say cars ni bi wo kra no ensem fatase ye de bekwa fa abofra ebi wo no so ya loading kula no say enkwabere say 600 no bugu 207 mu na ye de omoko school ehun sem de bubuja omo say ebi ka ho enema accident ni ade nyina eba it won bomodi ase wode won sem no ebeba betan wo International Road Safety Authority National Road Safety Authority and what this answer me atoto anas wato answer me e dia call ama private schools nyina se won bomodi ase wo behwe yie the sense school bus ni bi wo hono ma wo di sequence wa wo di say koyie and school bus ni bi wo no ma e bia nkura be say 3000 no bugu bus ba ku mu wo di say Ghana yeso yakwan yi enye it was won bomodi ase wo de won sem nyina e beba betan wo sem ni do so pa na say se bi beto twa na chese ambulance service ye hu se mami bi ehwere ne nkwan na mami no ye painful a wahwere ne nkwan na nikunu na ma chese o hwehwe justice the man is looking for justice for his wife but in some no ekosi saying if you find the bedroom hanum say what him say in some no esha say nyina no ama ukopie mu e wo hono mo eye Ashanti regional in Sembi Ebobo F1 mo aba Ashanti region administrative manager Dude Milon for a year Ghana ambulance service no or they said that cry edia betu dwa this man no okan ewo a year Akuma FM ndra and okasi omono sansema etwebu social media ye ka say Ghana ambulance service woji sika ansana chese watimi ade nipa na ko ba bia wo se wode ne ko no o se sansem ni nyina no enye no kre o se ye wo non emergency cases any what emergency cases or say emergency cases no omuji sika bia but non-emergency cases no and omuji sika ewo ho it is asem na work at in an ambulance for so and man nipa ni wi no or say ebusia enkamfra memo enye ambulance service no ne sema na all canon or say it's non-emergency and or you can say in sembi adu chudwa and ye impact ho or say so obi yare at the hospital that's all no person ye unifisa hospital no call hospital for fraud ya sadi panu obetua efu any ade kakra eka and all case say emergency ebia nipa ni bua na yesi efa ni ko baby for fraud ya eno de nipa ontu ahwe sansebi no eto manfu asuma say na ya na wotwe hu sifa ebeka ho asem ne ya peni puma sibre be some edos pa but ni nyina make our say. And your state. What's over your Jumekua was I assign a day. Jumedina as some more. I face our domes boutique. That's what a Jumedia. Yaneno a day, a D, Juma, Wahano say. Once was so a snipper.
Celebrate, Jesus, celebrate. Oh, celebrate, 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 celebrate. Celebrate, Jesus, celebrate. Come on, come on. Oh, celebrate, Jesus, celebrate. Oh, come on, celebrate, yeah. Celebrate, Jesus, celebrate. He's risen, Lord. He is risen. He is risen. I believe in the Lord. He is risen. He is risen. Come on, celebrate. Come on, celebrate. Come on, celebrate. The resurrection of our Lord. The resurrection of our Lord. He is risen. He is risen. He is risen. And he lives.
All right, I was for joining me on the show today. As I said, so some the triple action is very much interested in the development of Ghana. I have outlined the issues on board today, and we are going to deliberate on them. HYTV, Facebook, HYTV, YouTube. Now I pay so like a share, and subscribe. Now you be MIA. Now coupon will share will be to me and no man. Papa now coupon ever share. Now I come out to insure me. Maybe be also a Jamana Deneko.
Oh, Yanko Palma, the party there, and I said, Dana, in Canada, Yanko. No. Christian Pierre, yeah. That's how Ocampo Deneko. What was it? Ocampo. There was also make up. Oh, David. Empire never will cost so. Empire, the Vibia, Opus actress, and I say, Opus. We are model. BBB up music video gospel. We like gospel. Born name on the running no. Open comedian papa ono mugu.
Sharp. We have a minute. Seven share the triple action. Charlie, o triple action no. Go through.
When it
triple action no tie mu kakra.
Okay, genti a triple action. And it's I'm will be a visitor. One thing is, Ubi na shame no si chale you be triple pack guy, and I made a triple action. I say, Otonium, we are radio presenting. We say MC. We are Nipa Bay.
The talent
triple
is too much.
Pack. Hey, action account. Triple action.
And then you show this unity for a teacher plan and many
we are very fantastic.
All right, issues no edoso na wonim say me frɛ mu say bia na che say ɔman ne ho nsɛm ene ne kanko enti ene ya tena se. First issue a ye bɛka ho asɛm nsɛm a ɛbɔ afi the camp of the Ghana Ambulance Service. Timude. Sisi ano ambulance service for mu Ashanti region. Ese ɔmo ngi sika. Nenso nsɛm a ɛbɛtɔ odwa ne sɛ enam sika so enam mami ewu ye. Sasemi uso saying.
And the time met ya what you for your fans in none of Pomo here. Among cano correct. Straight to the point. Among cano correct. Some was among you, and then a mamma many we. Then a mamma many we. Some was someone. Ghana and Cassana, Ghana, a bayaju phone, Opiano or cano correct.
Opia
munyina
dampare ka ho okay my phone
oh so no otoda bi o chanto
Omo dia so ontwa ntroda.
Oyenipa okay, you fancy oyenipa.
Oyenipa. Hwe kanokre se obi like obi yare. On se Ghana ye jeans counting onkwa. Faniko ya transfer nipa no daka mu a emergency ye de ne ko. So mo nyis kan kama me se nko because of sikao. Wakwa omo so mo di omo ye communication almost be 2 hours. Now nipa na we ka say omo nyiska. Na dey ntia man we. Nipa na we na betra ga say omo nyiska. Omo betu mfuturo go nipa ni. Dentia Ghana yesa. Ye twen ye fu. Ye nka no kore nkyere enua.
But anka ambulance service so ye nyesika fi wana.
Ambulance service. Omo jisika o ambulance.
But is it a profit making agency ana?
Omo anka say na make profit.
Anka say na wo say ya na.
David. Ambulance there. Ambulance. No. Omo jisika go motom. Oh yeah. No me so omo dey ambulance ya smuggle.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Minim papa bia no yo hene. Ode ofa sabi ne hisi wi bi. Eni kente ntima nti oba na alarm ne siso. No nim one day ne konya accident. Omukwe na niam se smuggling nko. Min kan si amanfo aso. Oh, eti ambulance service no. Omo fa omo fa deben omo bu baby. Omo say omo de omo bu baby. Like omo fa deben one. Yes. No, ye nya adwuma sa. Din nipa ne ho. Se nipa da unim sa Ghana oni ska obewu. So oni ska na yara obewu. Ezan say so oni sika na so de be fa ambulance ana so be ma ambulance driver ni sika na so be tuya ambulance ni sika na obewu. Ko Ghana oni sika obewu.
Meba wo. Mema wo de asiwa na mako unu aso na masia ba wo so.
Okay.
Semenhia.
Bema.
On say asem bi wo ha no ma mpese ye hwere yi. Omo kan about fuel ene ade. Ye na ye yare ye na wo say ye provide fuel ma Ghana ambulance service ana.
Yawo me da sepa me fa akwanya we so echia metiefuo ene mahwefo a ehweye. Ene the chief executive director of Ghana National Ambulance. Professor Ahmed Zakaria. Chief baby will be a Yankupon Enshraw. On your case here. Minya be wane kasa na mti odi na mehwe. You see, it is timely care to save lives. Timely care to save life. Ghana ambulance. Timely care to save life. You see, we are there to save lives. We are not there to kill or what? Ignore saving lives. Say, okay, say, ebia fuel ambulance service, ebetu ambulance aba. No abeka to say you need fuel, so we can't transport and I say convey the person who is ill from where he or she is to the hospital for the person to receive care.
Intro.
I don't believe that. And I don't believe, in quote, I don't believe that Ghana Ambulance Service will drive all the way from their headquarters. No, maba, wasuya ye, eba be rescue nipa. The thing is, it is timely care saving what? Life. Or timely care to save lives. That is omumo to obde na mumu. Patwati yasiye. So there is no way ambulance be to ambulance service be to omu car. Aba ufia na wasuya ye, so mba be do nkwa. Then they will come and tell you, we don't have food, give us money to go and buy food before we transport. What are you talking about? Then if it is so, then there is a question mark on Ghana Ambulance Service.
There's a question mark.
Yes. Then Professor Ahmed Zakaria must be questioned. On an entire executive, they must be questioned. Seriously. Because it is saving lives. You are talking about lives. Those working over there, no, Obia Juma and I believe, sir, before you move a vehicle, you check whether there is fuel in it. So if you claim, sir, there is no fuel in it, as the people are saying, sir, you're right there.
Why they also provide fuel?
We have team. I mean, institution the person in charge. Ghana Police Service. they have the one who is in charge of their transportation. Say be a patrol team be a coha. We have someone who is in charge. Those taking care of the center you will be taking charge. Ghana Fire Service, we have someone who is in charge. Or more depot So with Ghana Ambulance Service too, the depot be a Wejagbawe depot ambulance service or those depot where you be in charge and yet chief. And I'm a Zachariah and the free headquarters. I will provide petrol for you. If there is any complaint, send your what channel of communication. If there is any complaint going on in your society, you tell your assemblyman or the Ama DC, or also forward it. They command the district executive members name paying for no. They also channel the Ama MP. Then before it comes to the regional minister or whoever, not also forward the Ama
Okay. So Mami Bisa Assembly, will you agree with me to say Anka fuel stations Minano Anka Yen Kancho myself ambulance Yibia Bitremo and as ambulance Bia Bitremo and Komumbu money free?
Never. I don't support.
Why?
Because now me be patrol filling station. Now Ghana service, Ghana property, ambulance service no, and your private institution no.
At least we have.
It is government.
And
it's government institution.
I think the government has a share in it.
Who told you?
That's what I know.
Total. Total filling station.
Total
filling station. So is it a government institution? No. Me, I will never allow. Even if I've built 1,000 filling stations, I will never permit that thing said. Ambulance who will be petrol go free. Now buy not this road tax na each other the other. What are you talking about? So if the people are complaining, said the ambulance team. They demanded, send a million member can that mean who picture on social media. Now you're tracking AK-47, a 2 pound. That's ambulance. Now obey the ambulance.
Cement.
Obey so the tree cement. Look at this. Property of Ghana. And it's not from them. Oh. You see, so that is it. Because the leaders, even parliamenters, they are fighting. So how rational are the leaders? The leaders in this country, some of them are not rational. Excuse me for my words. Some don't think about the generation, the incoming generation. Some don't think about it. So how can you use ambulance to pick cement? You make them penny back cement, and you tell me that you don't have fuel. What are you talking about?
So we don't know. Mate say, ambulance service no. In payphone be brina kasa kasa. Now one kasa muno ultimate ni ya. One person over here to say, and I'm one form so and I'm a hearing. No, we administration.
Justice jet on India.
Because seriously, before he comes in.
So Mike,
seriously, before he comes in, Ghana ambulance service. Omunya serious. I'm telling you, Omunya serious. I'm paying for no more of they are not. Some of them are not rational.
Omunya serious.
Some of them are not rational.
But
Uni bibi. Say mebunu no youth in the young sorry. All
right.
I'm a youth no. Ya binema me dem me nya dem because me ready for that.
E bi ma wun patcho chemu because I oppose
me be chiro mu because what's that police there? Oh yeah, I say me be chiro. Binema wan for mu ja. And to what is any trade am po Nyankopon Yesu Kristo be wudi ni moja no. Ebe to one na obua. Ebe den. They want to use their blood for sacrifice. Ghana because binim so original ekun den. Ekun den je amagana sense oba. Ti sene e kwa mbim kono ma be fight for Ghana.
Okay,
sakwan no so pa.
Nyeku asem.
Oh say Sabrante bi sorry dina se odina say ode ne moja be kon ama ode na ho de be kon Ghana. Ti be sini say they will kill the person. Where I'm Swahili say one. Swahili. Kaka.
Yeah.
So
Kaka success.
Ibia no. But sorry say obeti Ghana si wa started the wachi.
You know, sisi omu say they are not responsible for that issue, no. What do you think?
It's almost say
Inti no da ben ye bedroom pempen so bi hu say we na asem no e wo say ye de ema no say ono e na ya na say ono na nyi aban no man
because one part the and now omo ye omo said they say body bisi and answer problem big omo hwe mo no e wo so omo de omo na esi nka we ba ya na omo ka no papa ni omo ahwomo ade ambulance service you know what nas omo hwe ma at the end no wait and the buy wait and the see
but mebawo if you hwe ya ye wo Ghana hanum you know that almost 80% of them have not yielded any results.
Oh yeah.
Meba, what can you say? Papa. Why me? Akosi say.
Because every issue be a investigation.
Oh, why me? Akosi say.
Yantifi.
Say wa fa ni wadi o, on fa ni hundi o.
Yantifi.
Ame swale woyi. Me ti say investigation. No, Bebrena is suspecting Kennedy Japan. It's also my boy any threat. Alpha. You see, we live in a country. The leaders, no, they don't think about the generation. That's what I'm saying. Right now, we are in a country whereby Uniska we are bobo. We are in a country whereby say, excuse me for my wife, we are bobo. Because let me tell you, Mimi no benya asem. The fact said no create a woman a chance me di nkunim and I said me di bim our asem. Because financially I'm not stable, I'm not strong. Na me no be china ni financially or stronger. But this can be ras here. Nia asem no e fa me hu na me de ye de no. Ni adane no. They will tell me say appear at court within this time. One Mbappe ya cancel no. Wo so ti fa anya atwemberry ate woti atwemberry ate skanya one ne twi no oti East Legon on fa kan kodu na wa fe na wa fa ka be for asi kwan so awoba. So we live in a country whereby say who needs car ubre. That is it. That is what is going on. So certain things go ha and I'm saying say ewiase wo it's a Nyankopon to me pa say o man yen tro di wona we di abro no nko man ka me start the top. Men list from Mampenyi so be
on your own one kasa will take on and as you on your one kasa will view on this issue. Osha, who should we apportion blame to?
We should apportion blame to the leaders, those leading us. Now let me tell you something.
No, because me person we are very specific on who to blame.
Whom to blame? Now, when we are saying whom to blame, we are to blame all the leaders. I will not be specific. Because see, I can't say they should blame Nanado. Now, because let me tell you something.
Nanado a commission will be said for ya.
No, listen, Nanado, he's the head of state of the country. Now, before the head of state of the country, little knowledge, before the head of state of the country can make any implementation, he meet his cabinet, suggest, bring out your opinions. He based on it, then you forward it. Now, Nanado, onim se efiti you can say Galilea come him. Onim se kwan no ye so ye futuro kwan ebo futuro esen comfort store.
Okay.
Sorry I say. Nanado doesn't know. But the one in charge, the assemblyman forwarding to the municipal, from it to the district executive, to the MP, to the regional director, hasn't gotten to that place. So how can Nanado know? That's what I'm saying is the leaders. Because I won't know Papa no Mami Tifie.
But now we are talking about somebody's negligence.
That is
Nipano, you say on driving or yare for and as you're paying for Encore Hospital. And a Nipano wine ye. And I'm saying that's on that issue. Who should we apportion blame to? Because
we should blame the one in charge of the ambulance depot, not the chief coordinator. We shouldn't blame Ahmed Zakaria. Ahmed Zakaria, he doesn't have any idea about this.
No, some will blame because on the head.
No, if you are the head,
on the head.
No, Chama,
it's shame.
Ahmed Zakaria has no idea.
No, and so only my dear and Onya Jumaye. Onya Jumaye. So what is wrong then? Yeah, for some, yeah, what is wrong then? I was all back from Nabe from here to another year.
No, so what is also back from Mamika?
What is wrong?
Never because I can't when I was way back in school, I used to tell my people, say, hey, if you're a fool from infancy, then you get to earlier stage cry, you are still a fool. Nothing can change it. Period. If you're a fool from infancy, say Usan where Jimmy Sabika Frate, Usan where Jimmy. Now say when you said that cry, then Jimmy is part of your DNA. It can never be taken away. No anointing or you can take it away. I'm telling you.
On tenye Timude Ekano. Ura Dampare Etisro on the IGP.
Yes.
Inspector General of Police. But this man comes to the field. What you say? Ubemusa na jo na mtakra de.
No na kumasi.
No oni omo boda mi o yenye.
What you say?
Don't you think say the general manager for
chief executive Zakaria Ahmed.
You can't say
Ghana Ambulance Service.
And kono so betimi aye the same.
My boss, Moka Dampare asomino. Matiwa say Dampare is going to vital places to showcase that he's working. Now let me tell you something.
Are you sure?
Maybe the entire maker say say the entire me defending Ahmed and he said, "Oko man from police station, your police did your friend Atinka." Akwana na asem twintwan.
Akwabena ho
Atinka. What? I'm live. I don't fear to say it because I'm saying the truth. Atinka.
That's a horse kakra.
Yeah. Atinka na asem twintwan. Now let me tell you something. You patch say IGP Dampare, doctor to be precise. We are sure say he knows what Atinka is doing around Amman from. He knows how they are chasing Okada riders around Amman from.
Ojo 2 million.
And he knows only Biakoso.
Oh man,
you understand? Only Biakoso.
Oh,
do you get it?
I didn't know how I was so it is I was so be sacrificing. One sacrifice, one is you know.
It is alleged that Odi 200.
All right, but I want to tell you, say we know we are building content, but we don't have any fact or information to this. Omon my experience what they are saying.
Oh yeah.
It's but the station as a radio station, your experience be that. But my guests are saying because victims of what they are saying. All right.
It's not me kind you can say ambulance for you now Now ambulance ni be say or to say I say there.
He is not well. Let me tell you something.
No, Father.
No, and so we shouldn't possibly blame on the man.
What you man say over here say? You man is possible.
He is not in charge of checking to spoil ambulance.
Go to their shoes.
Wouldn't say any ambulance service in Kwan. Nancy Ghana Fire Service. So na car no asaya. Almost your muntimi enkoye den. Enko stoppage any idea.
Miss Uncle phone just to baby now mobile. Me measure my car. I'm telling you.
Oh, to was it?
Yeah, bet you.
Patcho retracting substitute. Patcho.
Because but let me tell you something. He must know. But let me tell you something. One thing is home. Good. Nebusia Penny, right?
Yeah.
Nebusia Penny is in charge of what? The affairs of the family. It's your Nebusia Penny aware that you are doing money. Oh. He's not aware. The same applies to Ahmed Zakaria. He being the chief executive officer of Ghana Ambulance Service. It doesn't mean that he should know vividly what is going down. What is going on?
This one is about family. This one is about work. Maybe family there.
Yes, you cannot compare family to work.
The same way you cannot compare what he's saying to what is on the ground.
Ebere anka mabra bonye basa no. Menya dwame kan kire no. Asamba na okay.
Enye sa me man example.
Because wo muti school me say enye tirimu de say dabi enyamia. Udi agro be mo free TV nim. Because you are hiding yourself from family. So what I say? Okay. This is government obey adwuma ma ba. You can't compare work about family no and they kura put there. Chesan. Because yetua uka abusuan tua meka me na wasa me bobra na me hwe abusuan abusuan tua meka bere ye sika ne bi ne yetete ne ye amount se fa be ya adwuma fa be so mo Ghana wotu wasa wotu air condition mu wotu soro ya den e wo se o bad down district to district ba bia na wo se adwuma ne koso and we wo se adwuma ne koso me ma bia adwuma me de watu ano me tsoro Nonsense kabana me. Mama down am me bansra hwe anhu se adwuma ne koso a. Me to adwuma ne sen.
Okwa Boliga district now.
It's not say the
man as compared to IGP no
let me tell you something. Obi oho ye adwuma is secretive. It's hardly you see. But IGP no, because of what he did, he arresting this kind of prominent people no, stars no. It's eniaba ne ho. So whatever moves that he makes is being recorded and published.
Now prominent people now are they doing good things?
When was the last time I said Baumia news about? And so Baumia is working under G.
And the news by the
how let me ask you this question. Oni Dampare, who is trending now? And whose video
he's trending now.
Baumia is trending now.
As presidential candidate.
No. What are you talking about? Of course, sorry, it's a president, if at 31st way.
Even Pentecost.
Let me tell you something. Say about how many people have heard it?
Oh,
a lot of
people.
Compared to Dampare. Me nam social media every day. Enya okra na aka so for Pentecost and come do. But me say Dampare ko tena dam na say eto ye.
There are a lot of issues.
No, me
are
going to check the news. You know the news. Dampare is working. Now was he news because he is working. Oh yeah, Juma.
See, the fact that Dampare is working. I'm saying he said Dampare is working. I'm not saying he said it's not working, but I'm comparing Dampare to Ahmed Zakaria. Do you get it? Ahmed Zakaria being the chief executive.
We are talking about somebody who is in charge of a whole institution.
Yeah, that is why you said I will defend the man 20 times. See, I'm not saying that the man is not working. He's working. But you can't see the work he's making. Now,
why? We can see the work he's making. Even because of ambulance, it is doing the work that he's doing, low.
It's not low.
Low.
It's not low. If I'm to take this man to the highest seat for him to institute those in charge of making phone calls in Ghana, yet you have some people who will be booking and frauding people. He will have no idea.
Yes, our eyes are not everywhere.
That is it. That is the fact.
That one is true.
That is the Ahmed Zakaria and Suyen Afemdie. I'm telling you.
But members, there are some sensitive issues you should be held responsible for.
Yes.
They say assembly AC or in pay for no more Casanina, Bakukra, anyone ma. Wakasa, you say, oh, ambulance for no, as a more drink Ghana for Humpa, or Munina, some more cancer, Mekawako, as I say, or Musho Mujisika for non-emergency cases.
Do you have
an idea yet?
Do they have evidence of it?
Yes,
they should bring it. They should prove it. One acre.
Region directive manager. Dude million. Ono na kasa asem we say okojina Akuma FM so wo ndra won show where den where so and o che say non emergency cases no omo ye den omo gisika na so de anya emergency no omo ye den omo gisika but mami bisa say full aspect no omanfo no asede say omo no omo ye den omo tua fuel na na
enyo ma asede say you see before it comes no I make you
why should you take money?
That is the question.
Where is the money going to?
So if they take money, then the people are not
going to their pocket. Going to their pocket. So they always think about yourself, not about the citizen of Ghana. Not to the Meccans.
Abusia Mameka would say a year Hanyoke State. And I saw Yasia did you make Esomo Hanyoke State, Jumekua, just a banon Sassidia, when I catch it any war. When you say money show no, a ye say Yanachi Obiso and why then was so Yasne. Into Mameka would say Adum's boutique, one more, and was some guest in Atadia Obia, who IFFF. It's Adum's boutique, so was so one Tadia, Saj Mequina, dear a year they were one to say, Nipo Ako Edia, into no number no air back on me, Bama, Pan, I was so. What you have one once for one for you say anyone Tadia from I was 024370 8485 024370 8485. Would it be people National Road Safety Authority? Edin Sembia Betuja. When say na say private schools no abi any ade. Sure. Che say mo fra na eco school. Omo dey say be able to do say obia emfa driver any cars a omo use no. And who information is in embra mo. It sense say in some work no. Inyina so wodi gyina so a worker san say ebinum eye overloading. Minim so money mo omo ya agenda. Ebinum ye overloading. Afei so wo hwehwe mu a ebinum wo hono so a drivers na nkasa mo driving ebinum any licenses. Afei so wo hwa cars ni bi wo hono cry nsem fata kwan a ye kan say nsem fata say ye de besi kwan so. The so nine cry omo kan ni say wo hwe buses ahodo na ebi wo hono cry teacher bi anim. Driver no chiko ya na chese akwa na kasa bie ni dan ye kan say ne car na chese wa eden wa room na wa eden ono kasa for ne car na chese wo say anka ye nya outdoor bi obe eden obe supervise sa emofre ye omo ye den omo fa car on this issue no what here me start with Semeshia na mapa wo so Semeshia wo so muzi
say Ghana Road way for no yes sir, I support them. Road Safety Authority for I support them because it is very very necessary. Because oh yeah because I know say bus there Afabros were not less than 30. But if you are school buses not less than 30.
Which buses?
Make normal buses here. What you say? Not less than 30. But one thing he say Ushe school buses abon na omanya sprinter bi ebi cry your oven then kwala egum getting to 50 something
me call am sister.
Do you get it? Ebi titi bi so de ye mianu and as you are saying if we don't check this kind of things nkwala no life they need to and just understand say these children are coming to be are going to become what the future leaders of the country. So if they don't ensure and put measures as they are saying now, it is going to cause accidents. Seriously.
Serious.
And any school bus must be registered at the government sector. For it to be known, say, when you go to this school, they have this bus. And it is going to carry this number of people. It's going to convoy all. Just imagine. Which is very bad. Now, trotro driver, no, they can't what check it can very well.
And it can even result in kidnapping.
That is it. Because how sure are you that the person will take the student to his or her destination safely? You understand? So I support them. What they are doing, I support them.
But Chimude,
binimu di agro.
Cars no. Almost a big crans and fantasy or Missy Coins.
Ne never banamolo bata. Shime papa. Ayasi ye. Odo Monday anopa. Memo akunya na wahwe. Ka na ekwa nkwara no weti kwa ha. Na weti akwa ha. Weti kwa ha. Anopa no
mesewa brasi kakama ngwa. Asa wo ya fimi camera ni brasi mama.
Anopa na kwa na nitibe yesei. Na dane kusua de na abegufa. Odi be fia anyimre be sia. Na ni nyina hwe agu. Ni nyina be hwe agu. Na we kwan a tokura ankora no omukofo omo na car no so nya na se ya. Enye aban fa ne nansi fom. Bus timi fa ankora be 80. Na mo titi binim na uhuro. Na coronavirus mere COVID no mo bowa no mo ko diagro no mo ba mo si never be a cost
but osha if you fan you do something person
we free there in fact if
you fan you do something person
bibi ni kra be do
ya so be bibi pacho chisan
bibi e free na kwan wa
asebo Missy, we are saying, Bibi, bed day.
Oh, baby, but you be
an bed day. Mammy can't say, no one's a me breaking it. Yeah, I mean, suddenly break you. Be slow, me pacho, me pass a mammy. Me manono, true. Because I mean, flabby, me flew money true. Hey, I mean, I came. I was set. Yeah, now you register those buses in Nani, whom of fra. I was here for bus. Yeah, the TDB Stambig be na yes sabofra near the Mr. Bush car bit TB 515 yes pack mo freya every
be
bibi ni kra ni asanji ju omo bus fee the church ticket ama abofra no seat back to me for the pabe 20
nso tia
5 cd hey what bibi ni even nti ya mamoni na enye ya mpanfo na edi abro nyina gina mpanfo
but me nchawa no mebo school bi aba so pa me mbo mudi oba kaso a esan say kaso amantem na ye want meka ehono because I wanna mean some school bi say ekwan won say me bo mudi
ni enko
bedi akon Mary Star Onia Francis Father's Legacy Alpha Joy Republic
only seniors.
That's one student, one seat.
Air condition. Almost every one. Almost every breakfast work.
Everything. School be saying we 1,500 for a term. I'm a back. Because I'm investing in my child's education, and one day I'm going to repeat. And I can pay 500 cedis.
But only say yano for so after
more shall
one step at a time.
Scooby we chira ha osimu enye osimu na onia Francis Cran course obi
se nti mami ka sembi enu so nti a ahia na papa fo ne boka na ma ne benya ba bi jan no muso di na bro maka sempa na ato no
can be
enu nti also we invest o child no that God that you better swaba. We invest you na friends who say no invest on mu a afi na ya to aso afiri wo ya to aso afiri wo don't blame anybody if you don't get chance or if you don't get peaceful minded if you don't get everything in the country don't blame you are don't blame don't blame your government.
But you can't say private schools no.
Yeah.
Moons almost bua Ghana into Nanka Yemo Kwan Kakrana or Muntiminya ample time on media because data modia ba as deadline or 28 February. Almost was a labino because we share Ghana had more share a titu Ghana hapan on. Any school for what will be brave, our Muko school. Do if you private schools.
It is true. Do if you private schools. Let me tell you something. Say a binding cast or more deadline up to 2028. I support them.
February.
You see, let me tell you something. Private school is a private entity. And whatever income outcome they get, it comes to the school owner. So are you trying to tell me say a school which the student, one person, 80,500 can't afford what the government is
in 70 cities.
1,500 in this Ghana. 70 cities.
1,500
and do they have bus?
1,000
buses.
They may.
Buses.
No talent. Obi to 3,000, 30 million. 30 million.
Why do you know say a Sikafo school? Most of the time, I won't compare to schools now, boy. But they have buses.
And which are 70 cities. Yeah. Calculate the number of people in the school.
Yeah.
The population times per capita income of the person. Multiply it with the fees a person or a student pays.
All right. In seminar academic mathematics. In seminar academic mathematics. Now when you say we math teacher, we are oh, we are crazy about the woman, you know. Math but the last issue on board before story to made in the sono with Imodu Dr. Muhammad Baumia, Alan Shemati, MPP presidential candidate.
What's he saying?
Dodona Eka say you can say Sawam Adwajiri MP area betu access uncle for me anyway. See the Omuko Kujina is a near say Yamfa won't see was a presidential candidate. Where sure bet. Or can't say sure bet. Now or church and needs and says uncle for Yedumujina. possible say MPP for bit me then winning. But I want you to tell me your take on this. Mumi and conform me anyway. Mususu say they are perfect for presidential candidates.
They say they made them American. They say they Obia and perfect for Ghana president.
Obia. I didn't hear. Not the presidency. Presidential candidate.
In everything, they can be. Me ankasano. Me. Say ya me. Nobody can change Ghana. Human being. Tenipa. The best is Ghana.
Inti wanum.
Imra.
Yeah. Senipa ne beshemra.
Oh. Nipa ntimi nshemla.
Ana when
ya ne best enipa. Tio. Ni tio. Mam cho me wan say me kasa. There's some spirit.
Adobado ka say me kire me mani jipa. O say oni nyansafo emfadwe.
Yes. Me kasa brebi a me kansu. Me kana me dey achoke because Milano osi nipa na bese nipa na bese mra but enye nipa na bese mra ya ankasa na bese mra ba ye nipa na ya force nti mra na ye bese no ya ma like as a military soldier ban and was is anku na ye didi ya ho dwuma
soldier ban no then you are calling for a coup.
Oh the coup is saying soldier ban ye coup na if coup kura na se na be ya me de ade we nya se me de to na me de ato famimfa na me ja no me freedom no I was say me force na me fa na de me fa mra kwan so enti na me ka no say soldier ban but what I say
Semisha on this issue sanko for me we ususu say
Alan Chemantin when you Kufuado Nanado His Excellency and I started some pray MPP flag bearership so many years ago. And I Nanado be fine. Baumia and Alan. I prefer say MPP should vote for Alan. Baumia the digitalization I'm a big prayer condemning MPP. I don't support MPP. I don't support MPP. But I'm being real.
His policy of digitalization.
No, Baumia and digitalization. And then we are going to do this. We are going to do that. I'm not saying yet, but based on that, his digitalization in some of the candidates, I'm not Ghana fire frustrated. Ghanaians are disappointed in MPP and the MPP government. So because of that, if you are to bring Ghanaians. Some Ghanaians. So if you are to bring Baumia again as MPP flag bearer, he should lead the people. For them, for Ghanaians to vote between MPP and other political parties. I support Alan Chemantin comes in. Because Alan Cash, yenim no free tete. Yenim no. Now we don't know. Unim no.
No.
There be unim Alan Cash.
Obi anim ni.
Kwa some men akan yaw. Unim Alan Cash.
Obi anim ni.
So what is your problem now? I'm not saying it's about me obi nim ni.
So
what I'm saying is Alan Cash unim Alan Cash.
Obi anim no.
And Alan Cash by now usa.
Obi anim no.
Iti me kase se MPP for 8 years. They shouldn't make any mistake to give Baumia the chance. That will be we said break the 6 or break the 8. Thank you. But because say force nam for na ide I print here and dancing. But I'm here sitting here telling MPP members say they shouldn't make any mistake to give Baumia the chance.
Hey, let's say you.
He will come with digitalization.
Digitalization.
Apa magana for a day. Condemning MPP government. So Alan yenim free to take. Baumia has been a vice president, and we know what he has done for the country. Alan, they should give him the chance.
Comparing these two people on track record. Nana Chimude. Me assure you with the political issues that he acheka. Example for me, omo ye juma, omo track.
Anyway, Alan.
Na Baumi. Se wo hwe omunuma mienu a omumienu omunuma na. Kire wadwen na ye hu se ade we. Anke engyina we so, ni engyina we so, ni enfa ento aba no.
Asa. You say Ankasano, the Baumia de Ghana for now for digitalization, so one like this. You say Digitanobia. So be as Ronya can't Digitanobia, Johnny. Hey, on panel.
I know one I am with Ghana compare above. So a digitalization we are now more do.
But VMC. For the beginning, no more real near Momusi. Okay. For the beginning, say no, me as a woman to be digitalized. But me, and I make canon. I will not choose anybody. I'm proud.
They won't choose you.
I will not take anybody.
What do you think?
Melano. Let's give it to the Lord.
You know,
Melano's no more cotton or more queen. That is American. We don't have. Okay. Me best higher fine. I'm proud because so now pan also me go promote say me fanko vote here. Why? Government bang.
But Senesha, you better ask him about from what he's saying. People have found out, and me from Miakasano, my personal observation tells me that most Ghanaians are not going to vote in 2024.
That is you.
Yeah.
Okay. Ghana for the anymore.
You see, I'm there before better.
And yes, I'm there before. You see, politicians are liars in quotes. Politicians are liars.
Some politicians.
Not some politicians.
Oh, hey.
Politicians. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Politicians are liars. What am I trying to say? Now, I'm a politician. I have 4 years to, spend before I'm being voted for whether to come or not. Now, let me tell you something. I can arrange my policies to the situation that 3 years will favor me, 1 year will favor you. The latter part, I'll make sure say it favors you. Say favor or pay, you forget the past.
So, do you agree with Mahama when he says that Ghanaians forget things very well?
It is true. I support you with 10 bags of cement. It is true. You see, you can give a child a biscuit today. You beat that child. Take the biscuit from the child will stop crying. The following day, buy the child sausage. The child will forget, say sometime ago bone.
Oh yeah.
Do you understand it? So that's why the thing is.
I said, politicians
and yes, I am kwala. And I'm saying politicians they have some idea you and I know because they have sweet lips. Yet is a castle. Anna yebre. Do you understand? Who call Tema? Tema, is it Tema or Vota? Me pa sa picture number. And diaper and this for me dream actual pinche. I will honor no. And then you go obi afa ne sankan. Now, on hini bi na say oba Vota hino say ho hero say ho hino. Say Nanado embe complete e-blog na hwan see here. What you asama a course? You see, sometimes we are all complaining bitterly. Say the system or Ghana is becoming what? Very Ghana is hardship. Oh baby, but let me tell you something. I can't just 1 year for us to vote. You better tell me almost say who.
Oh yeah.
But and Ghanaians will forget. Some time ago we were complaining bitterly about the government.
Oh Ghana.
So what they tried it for 22 from 2023. We
But Nana, on this same issue, Washa NDC for they are maintaining their presidential candidates. Almost Obia on any to say on the verge of winning.
Maybe. Mami can't say more say Sagreme. Almost sit down be brave. Almost can wasema na police for the kiosk. But aka kakra beto about in 2024. Boom say ambassador says omu for them. And then you can say politicians are liars. So they are liars. The omudos liars. The only thing I have to say, and I said, the best I can say, there was some money need down because see, I'm more near now. It be the doctor. The only thing I'm a person.
All right. Abusiana me I was saying, York Money Show, and I was soon a good so with ye, now was saying so extra a war, Casafonini so. And now you can't send me pray. I'll be for enemy that's not saying, I'm my young Ghana. Niama esi eko efa afanyama ni bi epuma sibre naso yaka ebeje bi ebomu the sun say ewo so ewo so wo che waje on Facebook HYTV na fe fa waje nchire efa hobra and Yoga State dwumaku a wo so masene me di dwumadi nyina ebre wo wo insase papa afi so wo ba bi wo pe edan ahai ani ade nyina wait my connection nyina e de amount na wo so wait me enya wo dan a wait me ahai so pe edan ato ani ade nyina no be hu eye and Yoga State na eche wasase je wo dan mo nya arrangement nyina ma wo abrochire wo pese wo suma sika na ye di si dan ma wo ye to asase si dan ma wo de an ehwehwe and Yoga State e kira kwan 024370 8485 024370 8485 to come on. When I chira kwan enya yira kwan kra. Wo eye kaswa kwante bone so. Wo eye Star Oil. Kalabule Junction one man Star Oil. Wo ben eye. Wo eye abrusan kesi bi ben eye Star Oil holon pe. Adult boutique so eye dwumaku a waso masne. I did you make nyina ebro wo intade pa e wo ho no intade no wo de ko wedding we baby wo de ko babia wo de ko sorry wo de ko party ase birthday party wo de ko club babia wo ko bia no I mean car will say Adon's boutique so dwumaku a let me abo ambo nya santa de nya 024370 8485 itino Adon's boutique there your body wants to say enter the part if you pa no enti sene me kan ye no won na mes no etwegu e wase enti bomodi aso betimi afa na mes na bibia so akoye mama nka wo say Ghana eche bia no na che say ye Ghana card no ye use pa we need say what me akọ link wo Ghana card no to the necessary card na ya che say ye kan ho asem was net card was SIM card all the cards ti bomodi aso betimi akọ link ni nyina we're gonna say yes, yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes. We're gonna say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, yes, Lord. Yes, yes, Lord, amen. We're gonna say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes. All right. Say yes. Sasem we no ye beden apen puma sibre ni nyina ne se aban ebetimi asori no waye adwuma no se ne se eighteen ma make I was say private schools nyina mutie ye nne no mama ati ase se eba no mu school ye buses ne ade na drivers no any school bus na kasa mo bo modi asem de hu informations nyina no ebe kwa kodan road safety authority and ape only one D in some so bibia so akoyi na mama san enka wo say sansem we hu no we owofo na se wo de oba ebe ko school na se obefa bus omodi anse bus no bibia akoyi bus ne nya bus ebetimi akoto oba atwene sanse se bibi kosi a wo say mra ebe ye adwuma de so anhwa no ahwere wakora anase wabofra enye enkoya asem ketwa anase asempa emma wo tiembo modin ase let me edesanyama ni nyina etijuma abusia nche bia na me so adwuma de ni so okama vo Clement bi na me ji gua me de ready nyina ebesom ma bidwa fo a ombeka me ho ma me de nkomo no nyina ebrɛ wo nana timude afei so se me share the triple action mo nyina be tek me chia ye de nkomo no nyina ebrɛ wo MC a hono no Benedict so eboa ye ma bibia ekoyie wo san ekohwɛ MC a hono a that is me producer kopie mu ewo hono a team president Nanatino Pastor Owusu ewo hono ma chese obo machi dom pa me kasa me general manager Mr. Emmanuel Ankra so ebo machi ma moral support afei so ko staff office one no ya dia that is the CEO of this company so ebe boa me pa the moral support no so na great Miss Mrs. Hannah York Sakodi Nyankopon Isha no count to zero ombomodi anse bibiara obeye ye no Nyankopon e mani ko ye ema Ichiakasia pa ekoma ejuma ewura ekunu Mr. Samuel Sakodi papa yi akoma odi tejumadi na chi very 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 great bema wa abadaye die na chese wotimo se Nyankopon esu ene woni mo obatan kese Nyankopon papa we so ewo akoma se dia me ka se Nyankopon insha no so otimi taye chibi akonye se nyina mu ye hia no na otenetiri ye to the moral support na great bibiaro we joining we are no Nyankopon insha I want to say a very big thank you for doing the listening and the watching out there Nyankopon insha no nya okese nyumni sina se want me kadia na chezo come over Clement we do see here
hallelujah glory glory hallelujah praise his name hallelujah glory glory
What do you do? Be a girl, and I